Is that a joint?
Probably can't because stock limits, right?
I mean, it's legal, right?
Keep me from wandering.
You see what happens, Larry?
Hey, what's up, everybody? How y'all doing? I don't know, man. Why not, right? Like, very seldom do we get to see price action like this, where it seems on Coinbase the breakout's very real, right? Consolidation at that supply line and just bam, up 3.28%, and it's a Friday night, man. So what's going on? Is it the beginning? You gotta wonder. I mean, it all started with a back test a couple times, 10,541. It also started with Square, but before that, in September, it was not just Square. It was MicroStrategies that bought around the 10.5, 10.6 area too, $425 million. So some big names getting into Bitcoin, and then wow, the symmetrical triangle breakout, and now the descending running wedge type breakout. Really just, this downslope resistance right there, blasted. On other exchanges, it was already breakout, right? You were back testing for many hours, for like 12 hours on like Binance and Bitstamp, and so, great stuff, man. The thing we can say for sure is on the 3-day, I don't know if this will even work.
Do you respect it?
There you go. Boom. Boom. So, right, what was it? Can someone tell me? Right? accumulation, butting up against 10,982, and it's like, hey man, impending price action, continuation to the upside, and now you're getting it. And really on the weekly, or really the 3-day, you're exceeding that one high from February 18th. But February 27th is, you got 11,474. We have not quite touched it, have we? Not yet. We're getting there. That's where the alert is, really. So it's not just Bitcoin, man. Ethereum alerts going off like crazy too, up 3% plus. And it also, right? Ethereum also had its hidden bullish divergence, man. Look, a low on price, a higher low. All right, forget all that stuff. That's just not supposed to be visible. Okay, so big bullish engulfing candle that one day, 22 hours, will be painted. So let's see how high this can go. Not bad, man. Little base nectar just for some live price action, because Lord knows there's been a drought of that lately. Okay. Hold on. What an appropriate set. So what do y'all think? Y'all excited, man? You think we're gonna look breaking 366? You know what that is, right? 366. I mean, covered in the day stream. 366. Yep. So now you're continuing to rise, and I mean on the weekly, dude, there's not really much of any resistance. You know how it is. Once you get back above 366, man, it starts becoming like, okay, you can see 487 again if it holds, and that's a big if, right? Bitcoin's got to stay up, but now we got a gap to worry about. Wow, hold on, jeez. Yeah, gap to worry about on Monday. CME futures, but hey, man, CME futures for Bitcoin, we're looking pretty decent, weren't they? Ascending triangle, something. So this will, accumulation with a sell wall, and you had broken out. You closed the week outside. Isn't that perfect how it closed with a breakout? And now it'll gap up to 11,400 plus. Next resistance, 11,745. Not really. Not really. I mean, the next real resistance is like 12,545 or so. Okay, man. Could be good, could be bad. All we know is it was a bullish continuation pattern. That's all we knew. And it filled the gap, so there was no worry there. So great. Doing anything crazy? Look, man, people wanted a stream, right, for the weekend, so here you go, man. You want any more of this, dude? You got it. What's up, Matthew, man? That's a long power up, dude. Jeez.
Power up. Thanks for coming, Live Man. Can we get a spin?
Sure, dude. Sure. Why not? We'll celebrate something, right? Sorry. Get wrecked. Thank you, though.
Bruh.
Social. Anyway, it doesn't look good here yet, but it will come Sunday evening when the futures open at 6 p.m. Eastern. And that goes for Bitcoin and the futures for stocks, right? And then I think a few hours before is like commodities, like gold and silver. Hey, kind of weird look here. We were talking about education on log scale and linear scale, and I went to the Bitcoin chart, a lot of data, and one and two on the top, one on the bottom, and then you tested that for confirmation. It seems like, in March. This is log scale. Remember, percentage change, not price change, and you can't say that doesn't look pretty good. I mean, it just held and back tested the 10,350, 400 area, for a few weeks. I wish I had all my stuff. I don't, unfortunately. So
Spin train hype kings.
Hey, good news, everyone. Litecoin trade setup. You're at $50 now. So if you break $50 on Litecoin, dude, big congestion area. You break this, could be a moonshot of $60 real fast, just like last time. Pretty good. All right, yeah, we'll spin, sure. Get wrecked though. I mean, you know what's gonna happen. You know what's gonna happen right here. Ah, you must drink, Wolf. DJ Khaled, another one. Maybe you get a sound clip of that, all right?
Another one.
All right, here you go. Some Dragon Ball Z cash in the jar. Devastated. Sorry. Sorry, dude. Rip. What target do I think we will hit? Well, it depends what asset. You know, we're looking at Litecoin. Again, this was kind of the, you'd think, down here at the entry, when, oh my god, the fear was so high. You'd think eventually from there we'd reverse and hit 50. And I don't really know, you don't know what happens at resistances, but you know what could happen if it breaks that resistance with actual real price action. And I'm talking like it doesn't up thrust like Litecoin
Fly
did.
power up. Shout out to that Matthew D and that Don't Feed the Wolf hype.
Hype.
Hype in the chat!
Alright, dude. Do your worst. It's just not gonna work, okay? We've been playing this game too much. See? I mean, just, yeah. You must drink T.S. Eliot, okay? The 12s. So, like, the target, I mean, really, it's just, it doesn't, like, this was the same idea with Litecoin down here. It's like, if you ever broke 50, you're probably gonna go to 60. And so now we're butting up against that same resistance.
Is this your homework, Larry?
Bruh.
Did y'all like the way the bass dropped at the beginning?
Is this your homework, Larry?
It could be. If you did your homework and you saw the 3-day, right, the probability was increased that a move up was going to happen, not down. And, you know, Square was awesome. Square was such a good little catalyst there, man. You don't know. You'll never truly know if that was what did it, but certainly someone out there with powers, you know, to drive this market thought it was worth something to a point where now it's Bitcoin, since Square announced that it has, you know, purchased $50 million worth of Bitcoin. I mean, since that event, Bitcoin at its highest point this evening, 8% increase in value since that Square news total now. And that's why I said, keep your mind on the 10.5, 10.6 area because of MicroStrategies and Square. Okay. Yes, and Square itself has been doing insane, man. Absolutely. Let's go to XRP because, dude, I don't know what to tell you, man.
There's wreckage in the air tonight. Hold on.
It was a bit. Is there really, dude? I don't think so, man. Sorry. Yeah, it's like the wheel is pulling an XRP. Oh my god.
Alabama tomorrow, baby. Spin to win.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I mean, I don't know if we'll probably cover it, but the weather's gonna be terrible, dude. It's gonna be disgusting.
Go buy a 12-pack of High Life on me. Enjoy your weekend.
Oh my god, dude.
See you
It's
Sunday.
Blah, but thanks for the 10, dude. Alright, hold on, let's not get in debt. Alright, here's a gulp. Okay. Alright, here's the other one. The other spin. Devastated, dude. Wow. Sorry. So, XRP, that's the way the wheel's gone tonight so far. Where, what are you doing, dude? What are you literally doing, XRP? Just sitting at 25.261 cents. You're above it now. I mean, you're above, like, the actual real support resistance looking left, okay? Look at this. January 2020. Look at this, dude. October 2019. Look at all the price action correlation to this. Why? There. Because look left even more. It's right here, dude. September 2018. August 2018. You're above it now, dude. It is time. If it's going to do anything, it would be certainly soon. You don't just break resistance to just sit there and do nothing. Eventually, it does have to move up. Get it together, XRP. Alright, so log scale hype. Gotta love the 200-week moving average. Super safe, right? 3 times in history, really, 3 different like major areas in history, Bitcoin hit that 200-week. It fell below it actually, really for the, I mean, kind of the same way down 2015 right here, but never. Traders really, I mean, is that considered settling up below it? I don't know. The price action you received that absolute next week was back above it, so that's good, man. I mean, there's a lot of good stuff going on now, right? Momentum has been shifting very quietly, but at the same time, there weren't many higher highs until recently, and now really higher highs, right? But remember that we broke in through the midterm highs.
Class ATA on Link the other day. You mentioned some ratio on silver the other day on Discord. I miss it. Can you go over it again?
Yeah, I don't know. Let me try to find it. It was a TTS, someone tipped, and I don't really, you know, I was kind of having trouble because it was like, I think Patreon night where there's just a lot of stuff going. Is that a spin? Oh my god, hold on. What's up, Skydive Mike? How you doing, dude?
Smoke up and watch the show.
God dang it, dude. Okay. I mean, I kind of saw that it was probably going to come at some point, right? So, okay, it was spin. I'm good at the mug though before I do it, you know. So, jeez. Let's see if I could find that TTS. Okay, yeah, here we go. Rush Pabst. I did a screenshot on April 11th, 2020 on the U.S. debt clock. The silver to dollar ratio was $2,300 to 1. Silver to dollar ratio, 2,300 to 1. Today, the silver to dollar ratio is approaching 4,000 to 1. $4,000 to $1. Inflation is about to go bananas. U.S. dollar index get wrecked. Certainly, there's been follow the price action since he tipped me that 23 hours ago. Like where the U.S. dollar earlier today just bottom fell out, right? The downsloping support, it should have been support. Nope, just fell through it like a scrub. And that's what happens in downtrends when there are no buyers, when there is no demand. But with that sucking, the U.S. dollar dumping, you know, because the world reserve currency, many other assets like Bitcoin and gold have seen reversals in price to the upside. Where, if you don't know, I mean, yeah, the XAUs, whatever, but it wasn't really showing too much as the downsloping channel. The big deal, I think, was GLD, the ETF. Right? And you had the breakout, the gap up today. Unreal, right? It's beautiful. And like 173 to 175 was back tested as support for the first time ever in history. And let's see if it, I mean, you'd think the gap would fill, but man, there are a lot of gaps on GLD that have not filled. So if this is really a real breakout, then you may never see a gap fill at 177.82. Just follows XAU spot. So I owe a spin still? Matthew D, even after the chug hit? Can you confirm for me? Yeah, be great. Thanks. So obviously, you know, the weekly, if all stays the same in the next 1 day and 22 hours, then guess what? You're going to get a weekly bullish engulfing candle. Who knows how high it could get? And obviously it could pull back a lot, but that right now, engulfing's good. Good, man. Look at this last bullish engulfing candle. Similar size, too. It was beautiful, man. So, you know, another month of prosperity after that engulfing. So, we get some follow through. If it can sustain for 1 day and 22 hours. Pray for Bitcoin.
Bruh.
Pray for Bitcoin that is broken out. Jesus chimes. Let's go, dude.
I have some evidence man bear pig could be in this area.
Is that a joint?
What the was that? Alright, I'll go get the mug. Give me a sec. Refresh the catch. Or the cache. If cash goes away, we won't be able to call it a cash anymore, will we? So here you go. Here's look at XTZ Tezos, man. The higher low double bottom. We got a sell wall at $2.29. Uh-oh. Some of the altcoins starting to look okay, look butting up. I mean, you break this, nice rise to 256. I mean, it's broken out. It's been broken out, right? This is good. Accumulation. Tezos. But across the board, man, there's probably a lot of good things. There were already a lot of good things that were, you know, DL was talking about Link. Well, there you go, man. What's happening, man? We're at a supply line. All right, Link, at the supply line of the downtrend that started August 16th, first anchor point, August 30th, second anchor point, and your third anchor point was at the bottom, August 21st. And the heart line was so incredible here. The triple MACD bullish divergence off that heart line. Just too much respect here, man. And then the Class C bullish divergence on the RSI has manifested into what now? What is the TA being respected? What is it gone to? At the highest point earlier, 30%. 30%, man, increase in value since that bullish divergence played out. Wow. Let's go, Martin.
Have to spin. This is just because I love your show. Thanks for going live on Friday night.
Well, I think there'd be a mutiny if I didn't. So it's okay, dude. I'll take one for the team. Hey, man, whatever. Friday night, like my kind of weekend. Oh, that was so close. You know, I'm taking it easy tonight, cleaning, cooking, just doing random things around the house. And tomorrow's kind of my day for going nuts. So this is a great excuse to get it started early, I guess, right? So, you know, football, college ball, going over to a friend's house and grilling and drinking beers, just doing what I did last weekend, man. It's just so fun, like just watching football. And now I get to watch football, SEC football during a freaking hurricane. So that'd be nice. Might as well just go get it and chug it and get it over with, so we can just keep looking across the board at these markets where, again, Link, great stuff. We got an alert, right? I mean, you really start breaking the supply line, it could go. And if you look at it, you could see that it could be a higher low potential double bottom, right? All right, well, one valley, a second valley here. It's all on Bitcoin, man. If Bitcoin keeps running, these altcoins are just going to follow it and do the same friggin' thing. Right, Bitcoin runs up to 11,981, then Litecoin's breaking $50. Ethereum's, breaking, I think it's already broken everything. Like, Ethereum's kind of, well, you're back at that spot where if you stay above everything long enough, you could just run up to, what was it, 387, 487 or something stupid? Whatever it hit last time. Like, that's where it could go now. Like, some of these assets just breaking resistance. I think BCH is broken. Yeah, look at this. Yep. I mean, this is a little range, and now you're above it, right? I mean, that's where it started September 4th, and now it's 241. Not by much, but look, it's very similar looking to right back here. Remember in June and July, the inverse head and shoulders. It's almost like inverse head and shoulders again, near the same freaking. It's almost a fractal. It's like the same freaking pattern. So look what happened last time, Larry. Well, when we see 278 again, look what happened. Are you crazy, man? No big one. I'm getting this thing. Getting it going. Good alert set up. We'll hear it beep. Okay, destroyed. Be right back.
Bruh.
Do you see what happens when you find a stranger in the ALPS $TGTX running?
Was that in the sequel of The Big Lebowski? The Bigger Lebowski? Is that what it's called? Thank you, Adam, for the 5. TGTX, man. Isn't the market closed right now? I believe it is. Oh, yeah, dude. Alright, wasn't it supposed to? Because it broke the $20 resistance, man. Isn't that how life was supposed to work? Yeah, dude. Working on its way, right? What was the target? 38.25, dude. But remember, like, no resistance looking left. That's kind of what happens, dude, right? But we knew that, man. It was like definitely some sort of Wyckoff accumulation trading range, and it broke it. And yeah, not too far off. See what happens. None. Thanks, dude, for the 5. Oh my god, your S-Coin! What's up, Martin, dude, again? Holy crap.
Martin Misaki super chatted $49.99. Can you look at my S-Coin, please? OMG. Thanks, Mitch.
TTS handled that pretty well. Yeah. Martin, yeah, I'm talking about the phonetic. OMG. Dang, man, it's been a minute. I don't really frequent that one, dude. Oh, wow. Kind of looks pretty interesting, though. Holy crap. You know what, man? I like OMG. Kind of. Thank you for the 50. We'll chug in a second. But look here. Dude, I gotta do it.
Look here. Look, listen.
I mean, what does this maybe look like? I mean, how often? I don't know. I would just plot it like this. I don't even care about the... I think he just up-thrusted through that. You know, that's the neckline. So it's rallying right now. It for real is. But you know what I'm going to paint anyway, right? It's just the same thing over and over. It's what we look for, you know? Extremely reliable, at least in the stock market. One of the most reliable. It's the second most reliable pattern from new data gathered from 2017 to now. And guess what the most reliable one was? A Head and Shoulders. So, and the bullish rectangle was third, I believe. So, yeah, man. Not bad on OMG. Look at this, you know? You break $4.16. See, it's like there's a horizontal line of resistance right here at like where traders set it up that previous date. So it's just kind of like this little zone of resistance between 420 and 437 where if you break it, you know what's going to happen, man. Right? You could be conservative or not, you know. I mean, this is less conservative probably. I don't know, being conservative on saying, hey, it's not a breakout till it breaks for 37, right? So that'd be your target on OMG. Nice job, Martin, man. Hello, anyone out there? This is pretty cool, dude. Pretty cool looking chart. And this is after a huge impulse up. This is exactly where you want to see it, right? You want to see a deep retrace, a 78% retrace. It's exactly where it reversed. I don't even have to Fibonacci it to see that that's a 78% retrace. Watch this, man. I mean, if it's not close, right? Hold on. Go all the way up. Oh, 886, dude. It's even better. It's even friggin' better. And look now, like, you know, the 786 reversed there initially, dumped, and then hit the 886, rallied, and now it's like the 786 is a support, looking left. Okay, dude. Value perceived areas on an asset. This is exactly what happened in 2017. I remember Cardano doing it, Tron doing it. They'd have stupid rallies, then they would correct, and then you'd lose 88% of its value, 90% of its value, and then it would reverse and do the same crap again, but then it would go to like unreal FOMO levels, right? So there you go, dude. This is pretty amazing on OMG. I can't even friggin' believe it, dude. Thank you, dude. Thank you, Martin. Let's go. Let's friggin' go. Bob.
Bruh.
That boy is good.
I need to check this beer. Okay. Oh, I just blacked out on that analysis, man. Oh my god. You can hear this? This beer's too cold. I haven't chugged a beer in a minute, have I? When was the last time I chugged a beer? Does anyone remember? Was it? Maybe it wasn't. Maybe it was a couple weeks ago. I can't even remember, dude. Maybe, yeah, I don't know. Looks like I lost a lot of weight. Well, I did, but then I had a beard on, so you couldn't really tell because you couldn't see my face. And now that I've shaved my beard, you can see it's like literally nothing, man. It's just like, oh yeah. Yeah, that happens, Larry. Ketosis for a 6-month plus period does that. Intermittent fasting. Uh-oh. Oh, God, it's XMD, dude. Shoot. I always get kind of scared with XMD these days, man. Just because, like, we don't know what he will do, man. Alright, here's your spin. Okay, I'm safe. Let me chug this so I don't get too far in debt, because I'll have to chug this and then I'll owe the gulp, right? Because we're actually playing the game. So I'm gonna mute the mic real quick and then chug it, and then we'll get back to the analysis where we just saw OMG. Hey man, that's like everyone could see it. There's no value. This guy's drinking. It's like whatever, dude. We just, and plus look at the stuff we're looking at. We cover this every single day. All these assets, you know, and. Okay, hold on. Let me mute this. You don't get to hear the pain, sorry.
Let's go and more.
Boom, get wrecked, XMD. But you must now take a sip, dude, because spinner drinks. I knew something, I had foreseen something was going to happen bad, so it's like already above. It's not about believing in OMG, dude. It's not about it. It's just about the chart. It just looks like...
A couple of weeks. Well, let's get the party started. Feeling arrogantly lucky.
Yes, sire. Alright, here's a spin for you, dudes. Okay. Okay. There you go, Skydive Mike. You get 10. Noise! You must drink. Let's go.
Shout out to the possible single market participant for the pump. Cheers to the unknown and not knowing what will happen and not expecting an outcome. Signal hits. Put the trade on. Appreciate the impact you've had on my growth.
Thanks, Sweaty. Sweaty Jalapeno is super subtle.
Is that a joint?
Thank you, dude. Single market participant for the pump. Could have been, man, someone over in Asia or something, or someone, we don't know, man, right? So just like, is it time? They're probably in a room together. Is it time smoking cigars? Yeah, dude, it's time. Hit the button. And, I don't know, like, yeah, but, you're not supposed, you don't act like you know if it's going to happen. You just, weigh your risk, reward, position sizing. And yeah, man, it was like a pattern, right? Like a neutral pattern that could have gone either way, and it went up, not down. So I did say this reminded me, after the move up on Square, it reminded me of October of 2018, inverse of that. Like, I remember there was just one last little pathetic scrub rally, or in this situation, scrub dump. Little, I can't do it. Let's go back to it real quick. It was just this one little, and it hit down something resistance too, weirdly enough. Like, perfectly. Let's see. It was like right here. It was this one little last stupid rally. And it went up and there was just this down-sloping resistance that it hit. I can't even really remember. It was like a huge one too, from like way up here. And it just hit that and then scrub rally, and then capitulation happened, right? And so big moves down started. That's just kind of like the same thing. 11,981, 10,550. Those areas are kind of just like this same little buy wall that got set up after, you know, the crash. Same thing's going on. It's just inverse. We just keep hitting a sell wall, keep hitting a sell wall for a long time, man. For like the whole year, just hitting a sell wall. Right? It was really October of 2019, 1 year. So here we are, 11,460, climbing again, chat. Chugged a beer, and it was a joke. It was so easy, easiest play of my life. Let's go to the Three Gorges Dam. 11,460. Let's go to the weekly. Let's go to it. Yep, Three Gorges Dam, you're right. Oh my God, chat. We're at it again. If you can even freaking believe it, you gotta be on the weekly right now. You've got to. Look at this. This is where one of the highest levels traders ever settled up. February 2018, right? Remember, June of 2019. I feel like it was deja vu, man. Deja vu. Just like it was the week of early August, August 3rd. Hello, JP. How are you doing?
My name is JP.
Bruh.
That will be done. Sure, dude. No way it's gonna be bad, you know? See, just a goal. Easy. So it could have been a really good October. Could have been. As we looked at that schematic, I wish I could find it from Artsy. He posted it. And it was performance in October. Maybe I can find it looking like this. Probably not, though. There's no way. Anyone know what I'm talking about? God, did I not save it? Dang, no. Anyone know what I'm talking about? So we can figure that out. Someone look for it. Artsy posted it, like, I don't know, a few weeks ago or something. Not even. It's like a couple weeks ago, max, or less. I don't know, dude. No, my birthday's in a week, not tonight. Okay, don't be mistaken. Don't fall for the fake news. What? You're pinging me, man. I have to spin for your second 12-12. Okay, I didn't do that. All right. We'll just knock it out. If that's true, I'm not gonna not do it. So, all right, safe anyway. Doesn't even matter, dude. Thank you. Well, let's go, Ben Smith. October, brothers.
Bruh.
So what do you think, man? What do you think? Pretty big deal here. But here's the problem, right? You know, before we spent, we had a breakout August 3rd that week, and then the next 3 weeks, 3 effing weeks, we stayed above the Three Gorges Dam and just couldn't do anything. I mean, like, if you're gonna break it, man, you gotta break it with some serious price action follow through, and then a weekly close that's powerful. None of this Rudy Poo crap. But it's so good, though. It is so phenomenal that all that happened on Bitcoin was it went down to test the week of April 30th, 2018, and then rallied back above the October and February, October 2019, February 2020 high. And so it broke back above it, spent 2 weeks consolidating above it, and is now engulfing, again, 1 hour and 21 minutes until we get a confirmation bullish engulfing candle on the weekly. That's pretty nuts. Now look at this. You know, if the price action stays as it is, look what's happening. That negative momentum that showed up on the weekly, it's already going to go back to positive. Bulls about to take the ball again. It was like a turnover, right? Fumble on their own 10-yard line, pretty much. Get wrecked. How's the Momo? Fantastic. The old 3 days, it hasn't even shown positive momentum yet, which is absolutely insane. And he's like, how much upside could there be? A lot. Also, what's happening on the weekly right now, chat?
Bruh.
Is that a joint?
Sorry, wrong button. We're back above 60. Anything above 60 on the RSI is bullish territory, and this is the weekly, dude. W's in the chat. 60s in the chat. This is where we want to be. All right, and mega bull trends. This is what you get. This was the multi-year bull cycle for Bitcoin. This is what you see. You go to the equilibrium level, 50, 50, 50, different times, but you get back above 60 and you go and you get overbought. Only so you can reverse, go back to neutral and then run again. And then do it again and again and again and again. And hit all-time highs twice at 90. The week of June 2017. Also, of course, December 2017. The buying climax, where we almost hit $20,000. Okay, we got to do that, man. We got to get there. Great news, right? Look at this. 50, 54, multiple times on the RSI and the equilibrium level. Can't go. Not going deeper in the equilibrium level. I mean, it's at the same spot. Look at this right here, right? And the worst parts of it, a multi-year uptrend, doing the same thing right here, and now we're getting back into the bullish side. That's wonderful. I mean, right? Oscillators starting to look pretty amazing again. Like, golly. Wu-Tang, yeah, the Wu-Tang, what's up with the Wu-Tang? What do we do? What are we talking about? Oh, the W's? Okay. So that's something, I mean, that is such a big deal, right? And a weekly close would be insane. I mean, it's gonna suck. It does suck, though, right? Kind of that, like, we will have a CME gap. What will the CME gap be? It's gonna be at, 11,095. Who knows how far, how high this is going to go. Again, you've broken lots of resistance, but now on the weekly, you can't even really tell on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, it looks like, you know, kind of blue skies, I think, until 11,981, right? 11,981. But if you go to the weekly, you can clearly see how important this area is. It's just not a joke. Is the stream freezing for anyone else? Asked by T.S. Eliot. I don't know, dude. Is it doing that? Anyone else having problems? Let me know, man. It's kind of scary. I'm going by Ethereum on its weekly, so you can see this is huge, man. I mean, an engulfing candle, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5th week, 5 weeks in a row, holding this June of 2019 high point. That's just so strong. I mean, it's really going back to 2017, right? October 2017, August 2017, and then, you know, a couple times it went down here to the June of 2019 high point where traders set it up at a lower point than back here in 2017. So this is huge, man. And I'm telling you, man, where you are, like, there's just one swing low from March of 2018. That's it. It's literally it. The next target after where you literally are right now is $431. The peak, the previous local peak that was manufactured for the first time ever, August 10th of this year. It didn't exist before this was created, so that's why it's manufactured locally and recently. Okay? My God. Yeah, I don't know, dude. What? Oh, what's up, sweaty man? ICX Connect? Yeah, dude. I mean,
S-Coin request.
it bounced like everything else.
Binance breaking down sloping wedge on daily. Also, can we get the good luck Viking helmet?
Good luck Viking helmet, dude. Been too long. I haven't worn that thing in a while, right? This thing's fine. I mean, like,
Best community in the business curse lit.
Probably Killjoy. Thanks for the 12. Jeez, dude, is that 2 spins? Hold on, let me get these out of the way before I analyze something. Nothing. Chug face. We gotta change that. We gotta figure something else out for that part. Sorry, get wrecked. I think that's it. That was 2. All right, perfect. Okay, so I'll think about it, but I don't know, man. That's you're bringing back old memories, man. Okay, triple bottoming now. There's certainly another level of divergence. I mean, it's like Maker. It looks like Maker to me, man. On the RSI, remember, look, let's do this real quick. ICX, you burn that image in your mind. Then we go to Maker. Look what happened, Larry. This is a trade setup. Right, look at the beautiful divergence. Just continued on, and look what happened. First target hit, and now you're running again. Maker's running again, nearing that 382. The divergence, though, ICX. Very similar, identical, actually, RSI. So, you know, as long as you're back above 37 cents, all is well. Literally, I mean, that's fine. Anytime you're above 37 cents, you know, looking left, things are good, right? I mean, you can always back test that and then run again, but it's just really tough, man. It hit the PCZ, had a beautiful rally, it was double bottoming, and then Bitcoin was just doing terrible, and all the altcoins were doing worse, and it just fell below the support, but not for long, and now it's back above it. So its technical health has improved substantially because of that 37.6 area, because it's back above that PCZ area. I think it bodes well for ICX and many other altcoins, right? 11,420 on Bitcoin right now. Let's go.
Is that a joint?
Oh, what's going on, man? What's happening, dude? XLM, dude. Hey, the PCC of a pattern, ascending triangle, and... Oh, we're getting a breakout, man. Look at this, dude.
Look here! Look, listen!
Value Sensei!
What do you even want? So XLM breaking out at what? A 78% retrace of a huge cipher. Whatever, dude. 3 levels, 3 higher lows, and a sell wall. Wow. I can't believe this news. Get pinged. Get destroyed with pings. Nothing you can do about it. Noise! What's up, TA? Look, hear, listen. Thank you, Mr. TA. Sorry, let me take the wheel off. Since it's on spinner drinks anyway, to get wrecked. Look, I'm just doing charity sips now. I mean, it's just... Oh, what? Ninja Girl? Oh my god, dude. Oh boy.
Bruh.
So let's see what happens with XLM. I mean, you could hey, look, dude. So it is breaking out of the local structure. Look left, though. Man, that's not a joke right there. That peak from May 3rd, May 2nd. If you break that, yeah, good chance you're going up to 8.2 cents. I mean, you're at a point where you break this, man. I mean, you can go right up 8.4 cents here too. I mean, that's probably it. That makes sense too with the, if it can do that, 100% measure move with just the ascending triangle that is created here. Recently, you're talking about 8.598 cents. That makes perfect sense, dude. Right, just right around there. This is the area, the target area for XLM. Okay. XRP at those highs, session highs, dude. I don't even know if I believe you, man. Holy crap, it's rising. It's rising, dude. But it's got to do something. I mean, you got to get extreme price action now. If you got to get, I mean, there's got to be an impulse candle at some point. This isn't a stock, dude. This isn't EA. I mean, this is XRP. It's like it's time to rally. Probably not methodically. How could it do it methodically? You know, because Bitcoin's not going to just keep going green and staying up the whole time. It's going to pull back and it's going to take XRP with it. So, XLM is an S coin. Yes. Grizzly Adams did have a beard. Correct. Salespeople do make sales. Great. Gold's doing things. It did things. Okay, it's taking a breather. It's the weekend. It's enjoying itself. It's probably watching Bitcoin and seething. Probably can't believe it, man. Okay. What a joke. Oh, really? ZRX? Come on, dude. Let's act surprised on ZRX, dude. It's up 4.03% right now. Okay, sorry. Tripping up a little bit. It broke out. It broke the downsloping resistance, the supply line. It's broken horizontal line resistance, 39.77 cents. You look left, you're like, what are you talking about? This is what I'm talking about. This is what you're back above a critical area of resistance where if you're above this long enough, just like Ethereum, you could go to much higher prices. Look at the freaking RSI, dude. It was the same freaking thing. Same thing as Maker. Looks like ICX, right? I'm sorry. If you're a patron and you didn't know about this, you're not paying attention. You're not in the Discord. You're not paying attention to the pings I post to you. This was here, right? It was like, hey, man, look at this RSI divergence, double bottom and a critical support, dude. Just act like it didn't happen. Okay. Big breakout happening on ZRX. Cool. I'm not drunk. I'm not drunk. This is a joke, dude. Starting to slur. I'm not starting to slur. How could I be starting to slur? This is only my third beer. Literally, like my third beer. How could I be slurring right now? I don't think so, man. No technical damage has been done to my sobriety yet. Might have been the speed at which I drank. That might have done it. I don't know. Oh, thank you, Prophecy, man. Appreciate it. All right, this is what I want to share with people earlier. And couldn't do that, man. All right, here it is. All right. So we got Bitcoin returns by month. We are in October. Right, probability. You know, we had 2014. It's down 13%. But the other months, 2015, 16, 17. And then 18 was very mild, down 5%. And then last year was up 10.4%. And so it's like, after a bad month...
Not yet low.
Not yet? Hey, dude. You wish, man. You wish you could knock me out. Chug would probably... It's nothing. It's Chuggy Chug face wrecked, so... At least it's not spinner drinks. But you know what, man? I'm feeling jittery tonight. I'm feeling in a good mood. On Chuggy Chug, I'll take a gulp. Whatever, man. Who cares? The arrogance grows. Can't believe this guy. Okay, easy enough. So, right? After a bad September, almost every September was terrible. We have the opportunity for a decent chance of upside here, based on the history of the previous years for Bitcoin, right? At least from 2014, and so that's happening right now, Larry. Like we're getting some good price action. It's been happening. October 1st on Bitcoin. So, hey, dude, look, I mean, October 1st, well, you're right around 10,500. You're up $900 since October started. You hear me? $900 in price at this point. That's pretty freaking good, man. Okay. Dude, can you look at Pundit Coin, man? No, I can't. The best ones, I guess so. Yeah, man, totally they are, man. I agree 100%. That's what the arrogant person would say. Things again, prophecy. So Three Gorges Dam, we have yet to break it. We went up and tested it, and 11,463 is like, nope, I want nothing to do with this for now. But beginning to rally just a little bit more. 11,463. Is there a beard filter? Yeah, I don't have the application open, and I'd have to close out OBS and reopen it if I wanted the application, and then it would lag anyway. You know, when TTS or someone subbed or something like that. It's blah. Let's see, what am I doing my conditions? This is inaccurate. The moon partly cloudy, no crypto up. There you go. Pepe in your top right of your screen says hi. Did you miss the link, TA? Certainly you did, David. You're just butting up against a supply line back from August, that $20 area. But we have an alert set up, so if Link was to break that, we'd hear a beep together. Okay. Did I do dot? That sounds like a drug. No, I did not do dot. Okay. Do I think it's a fake out? I mean, you never know, man. You never know. Like, please find someone that's like, oh no, I totally think this is real. I totally think this is a fake out. Like, you just don't know, man. Like, that's not what TA is. You're never supposed to know, like, the here and now. It's, you look for an edge, and if it presents itself, that's great. You can make a trade off of it. But if not, you're merely gambling, and markets can go any way, right? Just looking for the weighted coin. He's high on dot right now. Oh man, that sounds super scary, dude. Alright, so 0x, dude, big deal. Big freaking deal. Not even a joke. ONT, remember the congestion area, right? The daily divergence. What can anyone tell me? We got 3 to 4 white soldiers here, pretty much. I mean, this was posted at everyone on Patreon. This was posted in stream. This was live. Hello.
My name is JP. I am not amused.
Just 1 dot. No, not even 1 dot. Or whatever. PSA, you know, dare. Don't do dots, man. Dipping dots though, different story. Whew. Okay, social, easy. All right, dude. Come on, man. ONT. Come on, dude. It was like a ticking time bomb, and you know it. You freaking know it. Natty D, I think he literally is the founder.
USD Bittrex chart weekly. Check out that RSI smile spin.
DGB Connect. Oh, it's been long. I haven't heard this name in a very long time. Yeah, it looks like 3 Rising Scrubs or something. Not really, but hey, thanks for the sub, dude. You're at like the first in a year. I don't know. I haven't really looked at it since it played out like the Jesus. You remember that? I know you do. But yeah, higher lows, double bottoming after, like you corrected. and then you run up and you sell off, you make a low, you rally, you make the same effing low. Are you kidding me? So what were you saying though? Weekly. Oh my god. Let me hide that. Oh man, right at that 26.69 cent high from May 4th. Let's check out the RSI Connect. Spin. Oh god, I have to spin. Oh, it certainly could be positive. You know, well, I mean, it could be hidden bullish divergence. Yet you're still building negative number, right? You gotta start losing it so I can feel a little more confident to believe it would be developing. Otherwise, I could just sell off and scrub out. You know, it's just gonna follow Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin really is doing the real breakout, which we don't know, and we're okay not knowing, if it does that, then you're in great shape. Great shape. You gotta break 26.69 cents though, man. Nice engulfing candle. And yeah, lost about half its value. That's okay. Let's see if it goes higher. Yep, it could be developing hidden bullish divergence on the weekly. Perfect. I don't even know what to tell you about ONT, man. There's nothing more I could say. I mean, it was just like there. It was. I mean, like, oh, hey, this guy's on ONT. Let's just turn off our let's turn off our headphones and not listen. I mean, please. What's up, sheep man? Bah. Here's your spin. Bartholomew. Alright, easy gulp. Like easy clap, but easy gulp. Look, dude, we already looked at Litecoin. It's at $50. It breaks $50, probably going to $60. Boom. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. That's it.
Oh, it feels so good!
Wow, there's another ninja in here. There's Ninja Girl, now there's Nerdy Ninja. Wow, y'all should go on a friend date. Wow, to look at that crap, dude. I don't know, man. Oh god, it's the white chart. Blinding me. Anyway, dude, we're just here, we're just hanging out. Let's go. Interesting. I like it, Jacob G. That 3-game teaser. Wow, that's nice. I might tail you on that for fun. Wow. Wow, man. I think I'm gonna do that. Very good, Jacob. Is that real?
Viking helmet looking awful, only back barrel _ O spin.
Social connect. If the jar it truly fills up, where it's like actually there is no doubt, there is no glass left, I'll put it on for old time's sake. All right, that's the condition. Because that was the condition long before, right? That was the condition it always was. For old time's sake.
Bruh.
No wheel spin debt, no chug debt. That's it, dude. Alright, let's go ONT. ON. Who cares? ON Bitcoin. ON Bitcoin. Oh my Bitcoin. Impending price action. Continuation the upside. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's going to be gross weather tomorrow, so... Sorry, I'm looking at this real quick. I don't want the lines to change. Wow, dude. You get Florida +5 in a 3-game teaser now. LSU -4. Wow, dude, the money has changed. I don't know, Jacob G, your lines suck, dude.
For targets, right-angled and descending broad form and blue sky breakouts. Games.
What's up, Catterday? Yeah.
I knew you'd be on. Cheers.
Kristen, thanks for the 5, dude. Glad to be here, man. Did you get Georgia at -2 against 26? What does that mean? They're going to lose to Tennessee? Is that what's going to happen, Larry? Good God. Excuse me, I have to get another beer. Wow. So Alabama, LSU. Okay, Alabama -13.5. LSU -4 against Missouri. And Florida +5 against A&M. That's... I'm getting worried. I don't know. Florida has a freaking...
Not terrible.
Один к some radiation to that jar, comrade.
Oh my
Спасибо.
god, dude. Exploit with Chernobyls. I'm misplacing this wager. Okay. We're having fun, alright? We're gonna have some fun tomorrow. Florida +5, LSU -4, Alabama -13.5. And that's a 3-game, 10-point teaser. Okay, here we go. Processing. What? Wrong password? Are you kidding me? Processing. Boom. Wager accepted. Let's go.
Good times, glad to be here for once. Thank you all.
Hey, Sir Edwards, man. I mean, thanks for the comments after the stream and stuff, like in the in the comment section. Thank you, man. Glad you're here. Yeah, hey, price action brought me here, so there might be a lot more people or different members of the community that aren't able to make it during the day stream. They can make it here, so that's always good. That's definitely an unsung aspect of positivity to me being live right now. Yeah. It wasn't the daily though that was so good. It was the 3-day, sneaky little 3-day. Brilliant, man. Okay, so what was going on? Catterday wants me to look at Mag Silver Corp. Nice green candle. Nice highest high you've seen since literally ever on the weekly. Did you know that, Catterday? Closed the week at all-time highs ever. Oh man, I don't want to get off Bitcoin. I'll just whatever.
It's China to me. China.
You guys do have me kind of spooked. This COVID season has been weird with some games like the Razorbacks MSST game. Haven't placed my wager yet to get your thoughts on it. This shall be fun.
Yeah, the lines are weird, man. It's just like, yeah, and the upsets that are happening, and it's like even the 2 weeks ago when we had the heavy success on that teaser. You see how many games, how many teams around? It was just like we were walking through a minefield and just a bunch of teams just blew up, and you're like, oh my god, I'm so happy to get through the minefield. And then last week with Oklahoma, we didn't get through the minefield. It was just like the parody happened. The unthinkable happened. Something that had not happened in 60 years happened. Also, something that had not happened in 20 years happened. It just... 2020, man. Tis the year. Hurricane season, college football, viruses, elections, stock market, drawdowns and recoveries, crypto. You name it, dude. And we're not even done. We're in the last quarter now, right? But the last quarter of the craziest year that anyone alive's probably ever had. Anyone. At this point, how insane this event's been. It's not even generational. It's like 2 generations. It's like a multi-generational occurrence of events that has happened or have happened.
Out for our homies. Full cup is a-coming.
It's a-coming. Oh god. And y'all already broken it, so I'm gonna have to clear the jar anyway. God. Friggin' stream elements, man. It never used to be like this. I don't know what happened. Just one day. Oh, I love how it's kicking. It just kicked one out of the jar. Perfect. Yeah, you don't want to drop light ones in the jar, right? Because then it's going to knock the other light ones out. Well, I mean, like, even Warren Buffett himself said it took, like, 85 years of his life to see something so absurd, or something like, it was a quote, something he said. It's like, okay. So what am I supposed to do now? Do I owe? No, I don't, see, no one's tipping the 10s, so I don't owe any wheel spins. Correct. Mag. Right angle descending, broadening formation, and blue sky breakouts, kings. To me, it just looks like a huge range. Its entire life, its range, 2007's down broken first time ever. That's what it looks like to me. And so I would just think about pretty easily Fibonacci here. You don't have to worry about anything else, man. Fibonacci from that major high from 2016 to the low point of March 2020. Your target eventually, if it can sustain above this very critical area, $22, man. That's your first target. $22 Saturday, 24, and then 26.92 is the golden mean ratio.
Bruh.
Well, let's go, dude. Are we going to Fort Lauderdale tonight, Daniel, man? All right. Shout out to people in Fort Lauderdale. In Orlando, I guess, right? In Miami, dude. Spin Connect. I mean, it might as well be just a... It'll probably land on Patron's drink, right? JC Fiscus, this is what's going to happen, right? Sick. All right. Let me go get another beer. It's up here. Just 2 seconds, okay? XMD, are you patronizing me, man? JC Penny, get him, boy. What? Oh, JC Fiscus, yeah. Nah, man, you can't get me, dude. You know, Moon Boy, worthy adversary, but you know, hey, times change. Number 4, really, it's number joke. Water beers. Hey, what's up, Krika?
EQX. Bullish Marubo Zoo on the daily after bullish divergence. Check it out.
But Mama said we was looking at... Oh, man, what do you want me to do here on the weekly? America. Love it.
Do I get the drums this time, Ray?
Yes, you do. Sorry, there's one little spot up.
Here's another spin.
That's it.
Lord.
Oh, that's it. God, dude, you just filled the jar up, JC. Wait, how many spins? I just have one, right? I would gulp though. Hold on, let me gulp and then I'll spin. All right, here it is. Here it is, JC, man. A gulp again. XMD, you seeing this, man? You didn't get me, man. Sorry, XMD. Okay, let's do it. Is this what you all want, dude? Look like a buffoon? There, it's so easy. It just doesn't look the same without the beard, man. It's just why, like, you know, I just look like some drunken scrub with a, you know, golden Viking hat from the ancient lands of Norway, right? Pretty special helmet.
Another spin for Lord Ray.
That's an old name, man. I don't use that. I don't go by that name anymore. I just go by Mitch now, okay? Seriously, if you don't know about Lord Ray, that was just a video game handle. And it was like, oh, okay, you know, whatever. I was joining Discord, you know, not for charting. It was just like, I had it. That's Patron's drink, dude. Yeah, that's Patron's drink for sure. So go ahead, JC, sip up. I can't believe your lines are so bad though, Jacob G. Like my lines are better. I mean, not for Alabama, but for Florida and LSU, they're substantially better. And that's scary
China
to me.
China.
I mean, that's
China.
action moving hardcore.
It's China to me.
China.
Just wanted to see if TDS can do a proper echo. Thanks, man.
Did it do a proper echo? Oh, no, it did not do one at all, did it? It's kind of delayed as F. Okay. Wow. Hey, look at Bitcoin, 11,428. Can you even believe it, man? I think you can. I think you can literally believe it now. I mean, after Square was the catalyst. Dude, remember, it's up, what was it again? 8 point something % since Square, at its highest point. No, it was like 9%. Yeah, because it went a little bit higher early in the stream. Yeah, dude. All right, 5 minutes till your 4-hour candle close. And remember, we're just right at, and we've tested once now, the Three Gorges Dam that you don't even know it exists unless you look at the weekly. So important. Yes, Eric, ADA broke. It did. I don't think we even looked at it today. Or we looked at it today, not tonight. And here it is. I mean, what do you even want, dude? What do you want? There were warnings. If you watch this stream when it's not cool, when we don't have a live price action stream, you know these things are pointed out, brought up to you, handed to you on a silver platter. Hey, there's seller exhaustion at this support on double bottom, and then it broke out. And now look at it. It's at its highest point. It's at 6% right now. 10.681 cents. This is it. It already broke the real resistance, I think. This is just a one scrub high. One high. You break this, dude, there's nothing left. You have a nice run. You're going to see 11.5 cents. You're going to see 12.447 cents. The 50% in 618. Well, let's just act like, oh, we're just looking at it now. Nah, dude, every single day I'm here, we're covering these altcoins. We're covering them, man. If there's not an edge, screw it. There was an edge? There was. And it's brought up to everyone. So it's just like, okay. Why are you crying, Catterday? You should be rejoicing. In the name of the TA. My God. Whoa, dude. A 1 minute setup. Let's go all in. Gabble. What was the S of the S coins? Is that even a thing? Engine? It probably held, right? Held the. Oh my God, dude. I mean, 1, 2. Look at it. Remember, it's like Maker. It looks like Maker's are. It's actually, I mean, it's not going anywhere. It's just stuck between 13.75 cents and 17.9 cents. It's range bound. It's a big rectangle down here. But the ice line, man, the cliff, it's held 3 different times. How many times has it got to hold before a huge rally, man? Tell me. Thanks for the 625 people tuned in. Glad to have y'all. Sure you're all happy about the price action we've been blessed with this evening on a Friday. Well, Saturday for some across the world. But yeah, the excitement continues for many assets, but one, again, that is not showing any excitement, but it should, is XRP, where it's just like, when's it going to actually blast off? Okay, it should be blasting off anytime now, as it's like, we're looking at our clock. Like, what are you doing? Did you broken resistance? All this left is this meager local high that's been created September 16th and October 6th. It's time, man. It's freaking time to go. On XRP. Hey, what's up, Jeffrey did? Oh, God.
How about the king of S coin, spot on Q coin?
Yeah, that's a good question, Jeffrey, man. Well. Oh my God. Dude. You should have just asked me about this yesterday. This is unreal. I can't believe this. Oh my god! I mean, it's an S coin, but dude, look at this. Look at, okay, here's your little ice line here. Look, man. RSI, bullish divergence. The 4-hour looks exceptional as well. What can I even tell you, dude? It's great. It's grand. It's also wonderful. This is the daily. This is not a joke, ladies and gentlemen. This is pretty freaking amazing. I mean, I keep saying it's an S coin, and it's all dependent on Bitcoin. Morningstar-ish, okay. Well, you would think in time it will probably test like $1.51, this little low point where traders settled up. But once that's broken, man, I mean, you know, 175, 186, and then up here 270, 272. Big deal. Great potential double bottom on the daily for SXP, the US dollar. Fantastic. There you go. Just another contribution and request, because he is applying technical analysis that's, you know, boasted. I don't know. It's like, it's the type of technical analysis that is encouraged in here for swing traders, position traders. So a big round of applause.
Please clap.
Jeffrey. Great job, man. Very, very good. See, that's how you do it, man. Right? That's what the requests are for. They're not for, could you just look at some random S-coin, Pundy coin, because I just like it, man. I think it's cool project, and I drink the Kool-Aid from their Twitter or their Telegram, and now I'm just a big shill because I'm all in on it and I just want to know about it. No, thank you. Will you please do what Jeffrey did? Please do what I mean, a lot of people tonight have been requesting, the people that have been requesting tonight, they're normally like, there's a reason for it. It's not just look at my S-coin. My God. Martin was ironically saying, look at my S-coin, and he's a double whammy, because it was like, I'm like, oh God, here we go. And then it's like, whoa. Martin, big surprise, you know? So, that's cool, dudes. That's what it's about. We empower others. We teach what we can, then they gain value from it, they learn, and then they start applying it, and then it just spreads, man. It's just positively metastasizing. Positively, man. It's just get wrecked in a positive way. Well, positive metastasis of knowledge, right, and good things. I don't know, man. Okay, alcohol is starting to get me a little bit. I mean, that's okay. I'm wearing a Viking hat, right? It's all good. Yeah, Kevin, dude, right? You had a great request earlier today, and it was NIO, NIO, and it was a triple MACD, triple RSI, bearish divergence, I think a golden mean ratio. Yeah, dude, everything in a slightly higher high, you know, dude, all the makings of a varsity athlete there. For sure. You having fun, Extra Mile? Hey, me too, dude. Thanks for being here. All y'all, thanks for being here. It's like, hey, if you can't, I mean, I think almost everyone in here has a speculative bet on Bitcoin. You know, some people have a huge bet, some people have no bets, right? Barely any, but we all got something in Bitcoin. And so to see it break out like this, it's wonderful. You know, taking the trader out of us, taking the trader out of me anyway. Like I believe in Bitcoin. I believe in, you know, why it was created. I believe in its you know, I mean, it does, in a way you could argue, fundamental backing. I mean, the amount of energy consumed in its tenure and its existence since its inception, that much power used, that's a lot of money, right? And also the manpower involved making all this work, right? All these different systems and servers. I mean, you couldn't get Apple. You couldn't even get Apple with the most cash on the planet for a company. You couldn't get them to manufacture what Bitcoin's done on its own. You couldn't. With all their resources, with all their cash, they couldn't duplicate what Bitcoin's done in this 10 going on 11-year period. So there is some sort of fundamental backing on it, IMO, in just that regard. We're not even talking about speculative nature of transactions peer-to-peer. We're not talking about stock to flow. We're not talking about what they're doing to the US dollar. You're just printing it into oblivion. Inflation's already here, dude. If you haven't gone to a restaurant yet, if you haven't gone grocery shopping yet, it's here. It's I don't know where you live in if it hadn't hit you yet, if you haven't noticed the price of everything, cost of everything just going up like insanely. So anyway, what was that? Hey, it's JP, man. Sorry, I was on a rant, dude. So you know how it is. My bad, man. But I do have to do it because
My name is JP.
Sure, here we go. Destroyed. A Logan wrecked. I mean, I'll just gulp for that. Old Logan's gone, dude. The days of old are gone. Timbo, man, thank you, dude. Glad you're here. Glad you've been here.
Bruh.
I mean, like, what can we do? We're like, you know, how many people are like been ushered into this community because of COVID itself? I mean, government's mandating that we all stay home and we can't do anything for a long time anyway. And now, like, everything's just, dang, I felt almost wanted to cry. Like, talking to my barber, man, like, she's like getting a second job now, and it's like there's no one coming in. And so there's like these deep residual negative effects of what's happened with the government mandates, and they're not as bad as they were before, but the consumer is still spooked. The consumer's still all effed up in the head from all this that's happened, and a lot of the consumers have been furloughed and lost stupid amounts of money or potential revenue, right, in time that's gone by where they haven't made anything. So it's just like, economy's still really screwed up in a lot of ways, man. So, all right, 11,420.
Is that a joint?
So, you know, I was saying today to patrons, like, with all this bad stuff, this crazy stuff, I find some sort of solace in Bitcoin. It's away from everything. You know, it can't be compromised by bureaucrats on one side of a party or another, right? Just sick of it, man. I'm just done with it. All of it. Politics has stuck its effing hands in everything in our lives except Bitcoin, because it can't. It physically can't, dude. Anyway. Fastly Connect, dude, what is there to look at? It was like a potential head and shoulders. It looked beautiful. Like, oh my god, we're so screwed to the neckline. But look what, this is why it's so important to understand. If a structure that looks so bad holds, and when it holds, just like Qualcomm, brother said, he's like, hey, this is a shorting opportunity, but not now. Not when you hit the supply, that neckline, and at the neckline, on the same low, you're making bullish divergence. Sellers are exhausted. That is what it implies. So how in the world, if you're showing seller exhaustion in an uptrend, can it break that neckline? Seller exhausted. Look what's happened, Larry. FSLY is just like Square and just like Qualcomm. The same price action, probably the same market participants. Unreal. It's beautiful. There you go. No shill bill. Okay. What's up, Corn, dude? Corny. Cornet. It's definitely Cornet with the apostrophe on the E, right? What is it? You love what I do. You only followed a few of my streams so far because of the time zone. You tell it. People flop. Nice vibe from this dude. It's all about the vibes, man. Right? I mean, try to just exhibit positivity. Now, there are actual real bad people out there that are hateful, and I'll put them in their place if I need to, right? But other than that, man, try to keep it really positive stuff, because it is true, man. In life, like, you don't want to sit down and take crap from people. At the same time, ignoring them is a really smart thing to do. What was the Thomas Edison? Was it Thomas Edison? Quote. I need to get better about it myself. Might have been Einstein. Give me a sub. What's up, Jacob?
I only brought up EQX because it tells a TA story of bullish divergence that developed with a piercing line and followed through price action into a bullish Marubo zoom. If gold continues to do well, this should too.
I will look. Hold on one sec, dude. Sorry. It's gotta be Einstein, maybe? Oh, yeah. Alright, so this is what it is. It's weak people revenge, strong people forgive, but intelligent people ignore, right? So I'm working on that because they're just terrible people out there that are just, you know, bombard the stream every day. It's like one guy. It's like one miserable person. I don't know how you live with that existence, right? Imagine your parents knowing what you're doing. How sad it would be. But yeah, I gotta just ignore that crap. I think that was a good quote. Jacob, you want EQX because it tells TA story, bullish divergence to develop a piercing line and follow through price action into a bullish marble. Beautiful. I mean, it's freaking beautiful. I'm about to just reset my jar, dude, because it's broken. Memory leak. Memory leak.
Look here, look listen. Let's keep that ball rolling on a spin. Clinking beer mugs, and with our fives chat.
Dude, look at it. Look at the jar. Look at the ball falling in the jar. I mean, that's how broken it is. I'm gonna refresh the cache. Sorry, I'll lose my jar. I hated it. That's the one thing I hate about it. For anyone else, it wouldn't matter, but for someone who actually has a serious jar, it's devastating. Absolutely devastating. Nothing I can do, man, to fix it. Well, except this, and it clears the jar. Alright, Timbo, man. Do your worst. JB, did I spin for you? Let me know, dude. If I owe a spin, we just been talking, right? It's on talk radio. It's people talking. Oh! Thank God. Gold. Easy. Easy gold. I think it's supposed to be cash. It's not catch. It's cash. Cash. Man. There's riots happening? What are you talking about? Is that fake news, dude? Or is that real? Best you could get? Yeah. That's right, Jacob. That's what I got going.
Have you ever looked at classic bullish divergence maturing on 3-day and hidden bullish on 1 day? I know dominance might mean nothing technically, but it seems interesting given how ETH can lead or follow BTC in different moves.
Not really. I don't really spend much time on the 3-day sire. But man, what a nice line bounce. Certainly. Let me just go to it. Hold on. Here it is, man. I mean, you got this low from March 17th this year. You hit it. You're rallying. Pretty nice. A 4-hour divergence, I guess. In the end, let's go daily. Daily classic bullish divergence on the MACD. Yes, low to the lower low at the critical ice line. So sellers were exhausted at a congestion area, which is exactly what you're looking for. And you go to the 3-day. Good lord. 3-day. It's not technically hidden divergence because it's the same low, but I get you. I've seen it before where it'll hit the same effing low and it'll show much higher level. It's almost like a form of class something else. It's like a weaker form of hidden divergence, you know, man? And yeah. And look at this. Yeah, I mean, you probably brought it up. Look where it's about to. Hadn't seen positive momentum since June. It's pretty good, man. Yeah. I mean, that looks like Ethereum is ready to roll to the upside, much higher prices. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look like. I mean, it's up 9% today, but if you're looking at 3-day and daily, it looks like much higher prices could be in store for the asset. And you'd think eventually, if it's gonna have a momentous run, 125, that sounds crazy. But that's certainly a thing. 125 to 142 there's no resistance on the weekly. I mean, maybe $70 on the low point. There you go, dude. Not bad. Thank you, Kevin. But did I owe a wheel spin? I really thought I did. JP said let's get crazy, but I didn't remember if I had done anything. JP, are you out there, man? Julia might have been keeping up. ETHE is 9% of spot ETH. Oh, did you do? Oh my god, wow, I don't know why I did that. Sorry, my bad, dude. Hey, how in the world did what you say actually look the same, dude? Kevin. How is that even real? That they're both kind of showing similar things. Weird, dude. Really weird.
Wow, I just fallen asleep after work and woke up now. Just in time to see BTC back at that 3 gorgeous damn level in mid-swearing and the concat noise.
What's up, Anon, man? Thanks for the,
Is that a joint?
Probably can't because stock.
Fill your jar again. What's next? Shirtless Viking? Cheers.
I mean, I could go Wizard. Shirtless Viking for a full jar? Man, I don't know. That's serious, man. I've only been shirtless one time. Hold on, I gotta spin so I don't forget now, because the alcohol's hitting my brain. So I could, oh my god. Okay, we're good. Alright, this one's for Coiner, that one's that.
I believe you did. Let's do another to make sure.
Alright, JP, I like the way you talk, man. I like the way you think, dude. God! Now I'm screwed. Now I'm royally gonna be drunk, man. You just literally insured it. Jesus.
Bruh.
Or really, it's... Oh, my sobriety. Absolutely. But, if that inverse head and shoulders plays out...
XRP going to the mama.
God, dynamite indeed. Dynamite indeed. I'm gonna chug again. Well, I don't know, dude. I don't really know here because this thing's had a really nice run up and it's hit this crazy, you know, resistance here. Band breaking out. Yeah, it was showing that harmonic, wasn't it? I don't even really have chest hair. I don't grow much hair on my body, dude. Like, look. Like, that's just me. That's me growing out my hair as hard as I can for 32 years. There's no hair. I don't grow hair, really. It's weird on my body. Eric, I don't know, man. It just happens. So what's the question here on Ethereum to D? Ethereum.D. Oh, well, the thing is about dominance, dude, you can't, I mean, you really can't put much weight on it, dude. You just can't. So whatever it is, hey, maybe it plays out. One. Yeah, I don't know, dude. It's like, there could be divergence or something, right? But, meh. Oh yeah, hidden bullish divergence on the MACD. Holy crap, dude. All in. All in. Couple with Hendelman. Couple with whatever, dude. What was this, May of 2018? You know, if you ever break this, you break 1337, you have to understand it could be a huge run on this chart. Just hasn't happened yet, okay? Yeah, swing trade. Yeah, me too, man. Me too. Am I getting a 3080? Nah. I'll get a 3090 when they become available. If anyone has an inroad to me purchasing a 3090, let me know. I'll buy it right now. Like when they came out, bots just purchased everything like in record time, so you couldn't even buy one if you wanted. They're all sold out. And I was like, what the? You know, What are the ones for again? Huh? Yeah, bullish divergence all in, dude. Cowboy. No, I could go. But not if Bitcoin keeps rising too. I don't know, man. It's weird. It's hard to compare these dominance charts. Sorry, man. I wish I could be more help on them. I just don't know how well TA works on them for real. People aren't literally purchasing, buying and selling based off this chart alone. It just follows whatever happens on spot price to Ethereum to Bitcoin to the US dollar, right? So one for Leroy Jenkins. Yeah, we'll do Leroy Jenkins if the jar fills again. That's like not gonna happen though. Sure, I'll put the Leroy Jenkins set on. Sure, dude. I still got it, man. It's nestled safely in my closet. Or in the ancient dungeon of Moria or something, okay? Whatever. Something that sounds much better than what I just said. Okay. Look, dude. Hey, look, man. Litecoin's up 4.2% now. We broke $50. Are you kidding? Or we broke the 49.28 high that goes back to August of 2018 when it was created, and I think that's great, man. I think look at Litecoin now. Didn't look like much crap, man. Screw this. Screw the Litecoin trade setup that was posted September 23rd. Screw it, dude. Forget about it. Not sexy enough. Not fast enough attendees. Well, look at it now, man. If you stick to the plan, good things can happen if the market wills it. So, yeah.
Time to get this jar filled, people. Let's get to work for the man that works day and night for us. Are you not entertained?
Dude, I can't wait to check
also
again.
Spin. Playful face.
Alright, I'm just gonna finish this one and I'll have to get on to my main fridge to get another beer to chug, dude. Okay. Alright. We did, man. We did. Okay.
Bruh.
Are we gonna do things, man? Let's go Gators though in the morning. I think, right? What beer am I drinking? I mean, I have to drink Michelob because of ketosis. Yeah, I don't really eat carbs, and so like I keep myself in steady ketosis. And Michelob is like 2.6 carbs per beer. So if I don't eat carbs when I eat normally, then I can drink as many of these as I want and I stay in keto, so it's nice that way. And it's just a lot softer. I don't know, man. Sometimes I'll do whiskey, or harder liquor. It just, instead of taking chugs, I'll take shots. It's just whatever I feel like. You gotta alternate because you get tired of one real quick. What is up with the ones? Still. Oh, the Leroy Jenkins. Alright, Leroy Jenkins connect.
Leroy Jenkins.
Alright, Leroy Jenkins. We'll see if the jar fills. I mean, it's so weird to think that there are so many people in this community that had never even seen me in the Leroy Jenkins hat. I can't believe that. Same with the Viking hat. There are probably many people in this community that were watching and they're like, I've never seen this guy with the Viking hat on, whatever that is. It's like, dude, we used to do that all the time.
Nice community. Spin.
Yeah, nice community connect. Here comes, I'll be down for the count if this keeps up. This is scary. Alright, social. Sweet. King Louis, I saw that, dude. I saw that. I was nuts. And then you got the song that came on. The gibberish song. You know what it is. What is it? Wizard hat? I thought it was Leroy Jenkins. I thought I was doing Leroy Jenkins. I mean, we can do a straw poll if people really want to see, like, yeah. I'll be hungover watching the games tomorrow, but at least I'll be eating chicken. Literally going to eat wings at my buddy's house to watch some foosball. Leroy Jenkins, Wizard. That's it, dude. That's it. No Batman Boy. Sorry, get wrecked. This is my call here. There you go. Cast your votes. Cast your votes. Get destroyed. Oh, one day Batman Boy. Yeah, one day. Wanna see Batman Boy again, right? What happened to the chat? Oh, I screwed up so bad. That must have gone on all day today. Whoops. Jeez, silly me. I have memorized this crop on the widget or on the source. Boom. There it is. No one even said anything about it. What the heck? Now, Patrick, I'm kind of in an inebriated mood right now. Okay. That's all that's real. Wow, 55 votes. Whoa, not everyone at once. Guh. Leroy Jenkins, though, killing it. Wizards got no chance at this point. Unless, you know, the rest of the audience started voting or something. It's gonna be a runaway. Well, so against Batman Boy, well, I mean... I'm not against it, but, it's just like... Where'd Batman Boy go? Batman Boy quits on you, you gotta quit on Batman Boy, I guess. I don't know, man. Oh, what's up, James, dude? James, are you here? Are you real? Say something in the live chat. Let me know how you even found me, dude. How in the world did you find me?
Time for a chug.
Oh, hey, it's Tech23. What's up, dude? Time for a chug? Yeah, I already owe a chug, so it doesn't even matter anymore. It's just gonna get backed up. All right, chuggy chug. Oh, not this song, dude.
Spin number 5.
Oh my god. This song, dude, reminds me of, if anyone played Zelda Majora's Mask, it reminds me of those weird alien things with the they had huge legs and no torso, and just they were like legs into heads, right? The ancients. They would make noises just like this song, and that's why I hate this song. It sounds so stupid, dude. I mean, I think that's the inspiration of this song. Is that those stupid creatures from Zelda Majora's Mask. I know some of you are out there played that game and you're like, oh my god, dude, he's right. And if you don't know, if you don't remember, just go to YouTube and type in the Majora's Mask scene of the weirdo creep things. Yeah, the ancients. It sounds terrible. It's just terrible, beyond terrible, appalling, offensive. Okay, we got rid of it. It's good. I just had to get that off my chest. I've never actually talked about why I hate that song so much. That's why I did. That's why I hate the song. Oh my god, no!
For a drink in the Kangs and Patreon. Let's go. Are you not entertained?
My god! There you go, dude. Now I'm screwed. Now I'm literally screwed. You give me this point, it's like knockout. No one even is acting like they know what I'm talking about from the Zelda game. People just saying things. Does no one even get me, man? Be like, I feel you, dog. I feel you. No one's saying that. No one's like, I understand why you'd be pissed off about that song, why you'd hate it so much. But nah, just a bunch of random words. People too infatuated with the double chug. It's not cool, man. Yes, yes. Chug. Thank you, Rick Schmitz. He's got me. He knows me, man. When's Ari gonna do something, right? When's Ari gonna do something, man? Dominic, at least I can spell, right? Certainly not a boomer, though. Yeah, lead guitarist. Never played it, man. I think Ninja Girl was saying I should play it. I can't even remember who was telling me to play Breath of the Wild or whatever it's called. XMD, I'm your boy. Yeah, I gotta chug. I'm just finishing this beer. I don't know, man. I guess I'll just go get it real quick. It's not the Zelda music, it's the literal weird creature things. I'll show you a picture, so if you need to Google it, you can. And you tell me that stupid, ridiculous song doesn't look or sound like this. They hold the moon up. They're the dumbest looking things ever, man. Why am I seeing Majora's Mask everywhere? I guess in Breath of the Wild you can be Majora or something. What are they called, dude? Okay, type in moon. What are the things that hold the moon up in the game? Someone? They're not called truffles, dude. They're these things, dude. They are these things. This is exactly what they are. These stupid things. You know what I'm talking about if you play this game. These, like, what in the world? Who would even create these things, man? Okay, they got green hair, they're heads, and they don't have bodies. They just are legs. Legs and heads and hair. And arms. The dumbest looking things I've ever seen in my entire life.
Bruh.
Any video game. And the noises they make piss me off. We're gonna be honest here. You can deal with it. Also, the 540 people still here hanging out while we just watch Bitcoin do nothing. Altcoins did things. I mean, Bitcoin did things, okay, certainly. I mean, it's up 3%, but 3%, dude. Remember that time when Bitcoin would run up 5 to 10% sometimes? Oh, I remember. Maybe you did. The deities, is that what they are? The four giants? Okay. Well, Google the noises they make, and good luck sleeping tonight. I'll be right back. Hey, what's going on? How you doing, everybody? Alright, man. Everyone doing okay? Happy weekend to you, man. Thanks so much. What's this guy talking about, dude? E1 Connect. Look at that jar. Y'all talking about Leroy Jenkins. What a joke, dude. How arrogant. How arrogant to think that, you know, this is even gonna happen. Ha. Bitcoin ever sitting shoulders? Oh my god. No ever sitting shoulders, dude. No. Just had a breakout though. Oh, back to 11,400. Everyone was so scared just 10 seconds ago, and now everything is well. Okay. I remember Matthew D. I remember. You remember 9200. You remember. Nah, Ninja Girl's sleepy. She's falling asleep, dude. Oh my god, it's L Jeffy, dude. What's up, Jeffy, dude? It's the Batman.
Is that a joint?
This hat is so cool. Is it? It's only priceless. In the ancient depths of the Cave of Moria in Norway or something. May go to 14. Okay, dude, hold on. Alright, soon I'll place the orders. Kava. Clemson or Miami? I mean, you think Clemson straight up, but Miami certainly could cover since it's 14.5 point spread, right? I mean, if there's a way you can do a money line on Clemson, I could probably do that. Not terrible. I mean, I'm sure it's awful odds, but I don't know. You probably tease. You can get Clemson at -4.5 with Alabama maybe, or Florida, or Georgia. You know. Yeah, Cornet. That's what we're doing. I called you out, Ninja Girl, so you're awake. Is that how it works? I didn't know how it worked. I mean, how am I supposed to know these things? That makes you feel young again? How? Sir Edwardson, how? It's not Clemson, it's Clemson. Clemson. Where I'm from, it's Clemson, man. Clemson. E.
Is that a joint?
You probably can't because of stockholders, right?
Sure. What's up, Manimal? Thanks for squeezing those shorts. Those dirty, nasty shorts. Okay. Shame on them for a neutral pattern going short when fundamentals for Bitcoin are at all-time highs. Same with gold. Money printers just churning out money. Deflation, inflation, you name it, dude. All the bad things happening. Civil unrest, you know, cancel cultures. Born somehow. Jeffy, dude. You know, hey, this one's for Jeffy. GLD breaks out and look who shows up. Look who shows up. It's Jeffy himself, the gold whale. But maybe it was him who did this. Beautiful, man. R Connect.
Is that a joint?
You probably can't because of stockholders.
Am I slurring? No, I'm certainly not slurring. Okay, we could play a game. I don't know. You can't know. I mean, like, I've drank like 4 beers and I've got one full and it's supposed to be chugged, which is gonna be terrible. terrible. And then it's like I owe another chug, so I may not even be able to do that without waving the flag. Yeah, I'll do like a schoolboy. Hey, I got a 5 o'clock shadow, you know, so at least I don't look like I'm 12 now. I look like I'm whatever age I look like. What age do I look like right now? Don't blow chunks. Oh, it's been too long since I've done that. Couldn't say the same for Ninja Girl, Kappa, but no Kappas at the same time. Did you hear that? Is unfortunate, man. Uh-oh. Re? Do I get a re going? I mean, it's fun to give out fake answers, but then there's like 30, 31, 33, there's 20, 24, 24, 20, but like, you know, I don't even know, because it's like who's actually joking and who's being real, you know, on their guesses. You need to see the Leroy Jenkins glory, man. Well, dude, long way off, unfortunately. There's no way it fills. There's no way it fills. Don't fear the wolf, unfortunately, no. I am your elder, okay?
If it will really
Is that a joint?
Gross. What I'll do is I'll shave. Maybe on Sunday I'll shave. I haven't had a completely clean shave. So all I did was like the clippers, and I didn't even go like all the way where I was like babyface. Oh, I look like I'm 33. Wow, that's great, man. That's great. Because I'm not even 33 technically yet. So thanks for making me feel bad. Jeez. Guess I'm just gonna chug.
Is that a joint?
Was this Marlon Brando? What are you spelling out? Bats in mine. Leroy. Oh my god. Why, Jeffy, man? Why do you feel bad? I'm about to be the same age as you, man.
When I was a young boy, I thought stocks were for boomers. I joined your Patreon, went through puberty and became a man. Now I have hair in new places and know what's good for me. Thank you for showing me the light, Mitch.
Here all night.
Is that a joint?
Dude, both of y'all, thank you. JL Humor, man. I think it was a $20 super chat. Wonderful words. You made it, man. You joined the ranks of men, man. Unless you're like me and you can't actually grow hair on your body, really, except your face and your head.
Why?
And your... hey, Leroy, what's up, man?
Is that a joint?
Thank y'all. Sweat jalapenos, JL Humor, the Batson, man. Oh my god, why is the music so loud? No one's even saying anything about how loud the music is. What is wrong with y'all? No one's even keeping me in check. This aggression of music will not stand, man. Jeez. Who's not that loud, dude? Jalapeno Connect?
Is that a joint?
No message? Just 420 Connect, because your message is that a joint? I get it. It's an easy way to get that joint or that message across to the rest of the internet sphere. Thank you, dude. So we're gonna see how this hits me. You know, I do have a breathalyzer. I don't know, man. These breathalyzers suck, dude. Because it's like, what? I drank way more than that. Way too fast. You know, this is so stupid. Why is this thing not working? Why does it always make me look like I'm not drinking? It's like, whatever. I'm drinking, man. Like, jeez. Look, dude. Breathalyzer, man. Sir, you're impaired. You're not allowed to live stream under the influence of alcohol, okay, dude? What's up, Mr. Pakek, man? Bitcoin going to zero, get wrecked? That's right, dude. You know, that was my thought. Mr. Pakek, that was my thought. Get wrecked. Alright, well, Gus in the chat. Mr. Pakek, dude. Bat's doing the... Oh, dude, that's not fair at all. That's an exploit right there, sir. Although, what's there? Good God, man. Hey, David Hernandez, Matt.
Is that a joint?
You probably can't because stockholder.
Leroy Woy Jenkins. What is the W for, man?
W.
Wu-Tang Clan. Wu-Tang's in the chat. Jalapenos, man.
Is that a joint?
Oh my God, is that a joint? It's going off the Richter scale.
Trying to fill the jar. Wish lurkers would help out.
Well, I mean, it's really like,
And then, just like that,
the jar was 75% of the way full when it, like, just moments ago was 25% of the way. What happened, dude? Oh. Shane, don't let them censor us, man. Don't do it, dude. Why would YouTube take me down? I've been doing this almost 3 years. Why? And the content hasn't changed. The content's literally like exactly the same. Well, now it's time to take him down. He doesn't curse, and his message is positivity, empowering others, and helping people invest in themselves. Take him down. Breach of something. Breach of something. That's right, man. We're gonna be the #1 shrimp company in the whole state of Louisiana. That's right. YouTube has changed. Sorry, dude. Not that much. The day I get banned from YouTube is the day everyone gets banned from YouTube.
Is that a joint?
J Connect, Leroy Jenkins. Dang, dude, that's a lot more letters left. Oh wow, we have 3 420s in a row.
Is that a joint?
Bad and I feel Davis.
Field day. Oh, okay. That day. Yes, that word. I.
Is that a joint?
Oh my God! All of that data joints, dude. So many data joints, dude. My world is so unusual. I live in an absolute unusual world. It feels like a dream. It doesn't feel like real life. Art of the Heart. It hasn't felt like real life in years. Like since I started doing it. Right, like it's just what? Bat. I see you over there, man. Oh, karma, come on, dude. At some point, that karma's gonna get you on those ones, dude, because everything's light, and the ones will knock the. I need to work on that. I need to make the ones heavier. So if you're gonna tip $1, everything's gonna blast out. It's gonna knock all the other ones out. That'd be hilarious. That'd be an exploit.
China,
I could do that.
China.
Price is Right style.
421 Connect.
Is that a joint?
Is that a joint? Donald Trump style. Thank you, Sam T. China Trump style. Yes. Holy crap. Yeah, Bob Marley. Always good to take profit, man. Of course, dude. Once again, I wouldn't go that far, but in terms of the face of crypto, I don't think of that. That's, dude, my numbers dwindle, you know, man. It's just, I'm very small time. Like,
Don't you dare little.
I guess the beauty of this niche is my ego. We joke about arrogance, but it's ironic. It's like, haha, funny, dude.
Is that a joint?
the beauty of the niche I'm in is like it will always keep me humble. Like it's like like when the euphoria and the hype and the insanity leaves, we gotta stay focused on what really what everything is, and it's like keeping people grounded during the insane times and then looking for trade setups in the normal times. Or all the numbers dwindle off, like, oh man, 500 people watching, 600 people watching, but like, hey, in hype times, 2,000 to 5,000, 2,000 to 4,000 people watching, right? So that's the beauty of what I do is that, like, some people that just do like IRL streaming, like this Baked Alaska guy's blown up or whatever. I could see his ego going nuts because like there's just so many people that would watch that versus what I do, which is charts. And
can we look at link host?
Is that another 420?
Is that a joint?
Look, see what's happening in the jar. Yes. Can we look at link? Yeah, we already did, but we'll look again. Doesn't matter. E. So Link, unable to break out of his channel. Leroy Z. What is the Z, man?
Is that a joint?
Z.
Dude, you're not. See, this is the problem. If you're tipping, like, so the larger the tip, the heavier the weight of the.
3 to 5 more to fill.
Look at that. You just knocked 2 out of the jar, right? Yes.
Is that a joint? Is that a joint?
Bruh.
That boy is good.
Get wrecked, dude.
I don't know, sir.
88 broke out and then sunk. It's probably still out though of what it broke, so contact. That's a messed up, dude. It's the way of the world. Like it's default. Like Stream Elements makes it default in the jar, and I just like, yeah, that makes sense. I'm just gonna go with what Stream Elements does. The lighter, the lower the tip, the lighter. Look at that. They just randomly bounced out. I don't know. The lower the tip, the lighter the gravity on the entity in the jar. And so if someone tips like 100 or something, it would like just blast out so many other entities in the jar, right? So Batson's throwing in ones that are like really high or low gravity, like microgravity, so other things go in there and knock it all out. So it's weird. What's up, Boaz Nerd Connect 589? Holy crap, dude! Now it's starting to get there. You're making too much sense, man. You should drink.
Bruh.
Yeah, Jeffy, man, I should. Hey, it's Science Bunny just coming in with the 20. What's up, dude?
Bruh.
See, and he knocked out some out of the jars, and now we're right back where we started. Thank you, Science Bunny. Hey, Science Bunnies, for all of your viewing pleasure, let's just see what the breathalyzer's saying right now, okay? We'll see. It's probably nothing. It's probably like, he's still legal to drive. Bullcrap, dude. Bullcrap. He's still legal to drive. This is bullcrap.
This Patreon has been a godsend while the world burns around us. F the trolls.
.069.
Bruh.
Unbelievable. How can I still drive a car? This is unbelievable. Officer. .069. Alright, sir, you're free to leave. But sir, I just chugged beers. I've been drinking beers for hours now, I guess. What the F? Unbelievable.
It's China to me.
We'll come back to it, I guess.
China.
Leroy Jenkins bat soup. He's batting the soups of the Jenkins.
Bruh.
Sorry, dude. Just keep knocking him out. Yeah, I'm not drunk, by the way. Bullcrap. That's so much bullcrap. There's still so much, like, liquid in my stomach that's being processed, is being digested right now. So you would think that the alcohol is still going. Man. I still have one chug. One chug. And I don't know if I can even do it, man. I'll try to do it. It's here. I'll try to just do it, but I just can't do anymore. I can't even drink anymore if I chug more. It's like, whoa. Ultralight Beer Connect. That's true. It is Ultralight Beer Connect. This still doesn't mean that much liquid's not going in my body. You know. Hey, 11,412. Bitcoin's back in the green, man. Can you believe? Hey, look. If Link breaks out, we'll hear the beep. But you can't say that Link isn't up 25+% since the triple MACD bullish divergence. That's Class A on the MACD and the Class C bullish divergence on the RSI emerged, and we were bouncing off that heart line. We can go back, look at it. 25% increase in value plus since the TA was beginning to be respected. Just beautiful, man. Be beautiful, man. Alright. Hey, man, I love this, man. I miss these days. I've missed these days. They're back. Where it's like Bitcoin will have these up days and then it'll just be fluctuating, you know, like $100, and it's like, it barely looks like anything, man. We were talking about it like yesterday or the day before. It's like, you just wait till we start getting these big 5% plus days on Bitcoin, man. Hey, 420, dude.
Is that a joint?
Sorry, you can't fill the jar up when you keep knocking out your own balls. Whatever that means. Okay.
Oh, it feels so good!
What? I don't know, man.
Why is the tree good? Why is the sunset good? Why are boobs good?
It's China to me. China.
Just because China.
Just because China connect. Oh, I agree, man. So much China, man. Oh. No. Okay. You're keeping it in the jar. This is stringent, you know. It's like, and then the XRP just gets bounced out of the jar. Yes. Let's go, dude. Trollololol. I mean, you know, it's pretty funny, dude. You got lucky and then you didn't. Jar is rigged. Yeah, I'm spraying Pam all over it.
Spin. Then put your hand over that scuffed jar. Jeez.
Oh! Knock them both out. Yes, it knocked them both out. Let's go! Holy crap, dude. That's fantastic. I mean, what's the Will's been good for? I owe a chug. I'm already in debt. It's over, dude. I'm screwed either way. Yeah, patrons have to drink. If you're a patron, 519 of y'all, you gotta drink, man. Water. Or alcohol, doesn't matter. Not great, not terrible.
Comrade, this the CCP here. All coin is a creature.
Knock it out! Oh man, that one's a light one. I think that weighs as light as the $3 ones, so I don't set them like Stream Elements sets them, because we never played this game. Whatever this game, this is pretty fun, actually. Oh, and then now you have a new level of adversity. Look in the top left of your screen. You can see it over here, right here. The memory is leaking.
China to me.
So that one's just gonna fall out. It's not even gonna fall in the jar. Hey Eric, man, more Chinas, dude. Thank you for 3. What's up, JL? Cheers, man.
Bruh.
I'm very grateful that you're getting value out of it, man. And keep sticking around, keep asking questions. What counts as full? The entire. You're close. Very close.
Comrade, we will fill this cup for mature Russia.
We'll see, Conrad. Sugar Blayat. Once it gets there, it's broken. We have to clear the jar again before it even fills. There'd be a riot. Ah man, see at 3.6 is all right, the chink in the armor right there. Y'all figured it out. The Chernobyl radiation contribution, man. Yes, CCCP, not CCP. Yes. Your kids are asking what's going on. There's somehow people trying to fill the jar up, and they just keep knocking the entities in the jar out. That's what's happening. Julia, Yeah, Boaz nerd, it is, man. I'm spraying it. It's like, yeah, sir. Good luck.
It's China to me, China.
Spraying Pam.
China.
Nice. See, David, I'm sorry, man. It's broken now. Once the jar gets this full, you know, ever since like 6 months ago, the cache starts getting full. Memory starts leaking on Stream Elements, and this happens every single time. Like almost every single time. So that one didn't even go in the jar.
Not great or terrible.
It is China to M. China.
Dude, I gotta fix that. Oh, knocked one out. Nice. Nice. Okay. It's China to me, no. In a Russian accent, man. It's not leveraging in time yet. The glass is still clearly visible. None. The glass certainly is not full. Okay. A puppy hat happens like a to Jesus. Is that what happens? F this, man. I'm done with this game. Dude, it's not my fault. Talk to Russia.
Not great or terrible.
Talk to Stream Elements, man. Talk to Stream Elements. Oh! Oh, you kept it in. Alright.
3.6. Not great or terrible.
What? Nice! That one fell out. Oh, if you tip a 3.6 in Super Chat, it's a female Russian voice, not a male. 3.50, uh-oh, that's a different variable, so I think this is the China virus, yeah. See how this one does.
Shri Fitty.
Oh man, that one's just as bad. Uh-oh, Louis, Felipe, here comes the $5.
Heavy load.
Boom!
Down.
Nah, it's almost full. There's a little bit left. Oh my god, dude.
Hey, Mitch, can we look at that? Just also, please say my name again.
Dang, man. Oh, I'm getting bad luck. All right, there's a little bit of room left in the jar. There is still glass. All right? I mean, you know, like, as soon as it filled up last time, boom, Viking Hat immediately went on.
Joining the Patreon is better than not joining the Patreon.
That was close. You just knocked one out. Thank you, JL, man. People are losing their minds right now. It's not full, Julia. Look. I can literally use my mouse. And look, if I can put this look at this little cross thing is inside of the glass. That's not full, Julia. Look. You see it right there. How dare you? And over even here, I could put this little arrow thing right here in the jar. If I can do that, that is the size of an emoji. Right? Inverse lies, because I just proved it, that I could put my mouse cursor inside of the jar. No problem, man. We can't Fibonacci the jar. It doesn't matter. Like, it's got to be across the board, dude. Oh. Rick, I mean, who knows? You just broke out literally 4 hours ago. Or 5 hours ago, man. Alright, whatever. Dude, look, what just happened to the jar? Okay, now there's clearly a hole in the jar. Look at this. What happened? What just happened? Tezos, yes, we can look at Tezos. I mean, and Leroy Jenkins' hat's coming, man. I still owe Chug, yeah. It's sitting here. I'm letting it ruminate. Well, the thing about Tezos is it already broke out. It's now making a higher low, double bottoming, kind of, like a low and then a higher low, double bottom. And there was like divergence locally. What's crazy is the volume that came in here. You can even see it. It's kind of interesting. It's still gone nowhere.
3.6. Not great or terrible.
It's not even going in the jar, dude. It's so busted right now. The catch. You just dipped and didn't even show up. It because it bugs out, man. I can't help that. If you want to refresh the cache, I will. But then the jar will be empty. So, what am I supposed to do about this, man? It's kind of messed up. All right, David, just throw it in the trash. Pretty much. Let's see how this goes. All right, nice and clean. No weirdo stuff.
Symbol.
Safe. Still, obviously, some air left in the jar. Oh, what's up, MK, man? Holy crap, where you been, dude? Wow, good to see you. Not really. I mean, dude, MK, it's legit the 3-day. And now the weekly's going near positive again, and weekly on the RSI is above 60 now, MK, man. I don't know, we just had a massive breakout. Obviously it could retrace, and yeah, it could back test 11K. Always, obviously, right? That's the downside resistance. It needs to be regarded as support before going higher. It could happen. At the same time, man, you know crypto. So with that Tezos, man, I mean, you're thinking like moderately, thinking 290 would be a target here if it actually rallies the upside. 290, China. See, there's still a little room left. It was almost done. It was like pretty much there was one more little void to fill, and then somehow I look away and I look back and it's not there anymore. Right, look, 313, and you know, this is how you could target for Tezos if it's gonna actually play out and rally with Bitcoin, which I don't know, dude. It's Tezos. It's terrible lately. It's so bad. There you go. Oh, here we go. It's about to blow it out.
F around and find out. America 2020.
America, yes sir. Love America. Roll Tide as well. That's pretty much full right there, because it's that one sticking out. And so we would think about if you, the one that was sticking out, if you put it where it wasn't sticking out, that, all right, that's full. That's full. All right. Thank y'all so much. It's all fun and games, but it's finally done. All right.
Bruh.
Mitch, real talk. Are you bullish on Bitcoin in 5 years?
Bruh. Bruh. Bruh.
Look here! Look, listen!
Oh, hello everybody. I'm Leroy Jenkins. I like chicken, man. I've got chicken, dude. Okay? This is what you wanted. Do a little Tezos analysis while I was Leroy Jenkins, man. Look, dude, here are your targets. If it actually plays out, which I don't know, man. I don't know if it can play out. But if a breakout's real, and from its highest point to lowest point, it was going to actually make a common retrace, this is the area. These are where targets would be for profit taking. If someone was like, I'm going to own Tezos now. I'm going to trade Tezos. Well, that's where people would be layering out and then exiting Tezos. That's it, dude. JL, yeah, I mean, for sure. Yeah. Am I drunk again? Come on, dude, really? Well, yeah, go ahead and act like, oh, it's some sort of common occurrence, dude. It's like once a week, if that. Most times it's not even, right? So, whatever, dude. Brian, thank you, man. Thank you, dude. What's up, Crypto Slow Joe? Connect. Who won the big basketball game? Are they all taking a knee? All virtue signaling. I don't know, man. Whatever, dude. It's just like, can we just make it about sports? Could sports be about sports, dude? I don't know. It sounds, I know that, call me crazy, right? Just prefer, like, people use sports as escapism. It's literally like someone playing a video game. It's like someone's trying to get away from the world that exists currently. So it's just like, leave it alone. Like, just play the game so we can all enjoy it. Leave it alone. Anyway. Jeffy, I don't know, man. Can they? Is that a thing? It could be real. Fake cheering during a game. What does that even mean? How does that even work, dude? I'm not sure. So Ethereum's great news. I mean, you think back testing 366 is a very possible reality. I mean, like it's 375, but testing 366. I mean, whatever. Hey man, divergence was there. Whatever. Litecoin, you know, everything's pulling like $50, right? That's it. The big resistance. Well, you're not above it yet, man. You're trying. You've been trying, dude. Fake cheering. That's so weird. What is this, like Big Bang Theory? Once I found out the Big Bang Theory was all fake laughs, I was like, I'm done. I'm not watching. I can't watch it anymore. Just weird. Like they're like trying to make you laugh, and it's like, I just can't do it. I just got weirded out by it, and that's when I stopped watching sitcoms kind of altogether. I'm like, it's so weird. I don't know, Helensky, man. I'd be careful, dude. Remember, you've been in an uptrend since March. You're trying to call the top. Trying to call it completely. It's tough, man. And you just had a spectacular breakout, and on the 3-day, you haven't even seen positive momentum yet on the hidden bullish divergence that is clearly, certainly playing out right now. And I mean, on the weekly, you're at the Three Gorges Dam. If you break the Three Gorges Dam this time, dude, it might be time, dude. At this point, how often we've been bouncing, hitting it, knocking on heaven's door the past quarter. Oh yes, what jalapenos, man. You gotta leave where Jenkins at, man. Bust the sword out. Oh, I know. I can go get the sword, man. I know exactly what the sword is. At least it's not mounted on my wall these days. Peep Show Connect. That sounds scantily, doesn't it? Or scandalous.
Wolf, back me up.
Wolf, are you gonna back him up on that, dude? Well, it's knocking on 11,981's door, because if you break that, man, jeez, that's what you were struggling with so much. That was just like, I don't know, 4 to 5 different major times this summer. You hit that, up thrust to do it once, and then failed all the other times miserably. So I don't know, MK, man. It looks like it's in a bear trend that had a correction, and it could rally again and double top or something. But it's in a big downtrend right now, you know, so yeah, DXY just isn't looking good. It's just every aspect of divergence that's occurring on it is just being pathetic, man. It's like the bears are in control. It's like, dude, think about Bitcoin or crypto during the bear trend, like 2018. Think about that. Like any divergence that would play out would be pathetic. It would like be 2, 3, 6 retraces or less, and then just dump again. That's kind of the DXY right now. DeCarlo Jenkins, man. Hey, we're brothers, man. We are, DeCarlo Jenkins.
Bruh.
I know you, dude. What's up, brother, man? Who's this guy, man? Oh, God. I gotta check a beer somehow, and I'm 0.069. I can still drive a vehicle. That is so unreal, dude. If I got pulled over right now after all the alcohol I drank, I wouldn't feel like I legally should be able to get away and not get arrested. I'm just saying, dude. I'd be like, what? I passed? Let's go. What a joke, man. Oh yeah, but I'm wearing the mask, man. The Leroy Jenkins mask. I gotta check this beer out, man. Okay. I feel like a catcher, like, you know, in baseball. What? He's trying to steal a second. Cornet, you know what? We'll put that to the test. Before I chug this beer, let's see if Cornet's theory is right. He's saying my BAC is much higher now. Let's try it. Let's give this a shot, alright? I think everyone in the audience would like to know. Not really, but like 10 people would like to know what's going on. Mute this mic. Okay, It's time. What? FLO? What does that mean? Flow. I must have messed up. I don't know. I have to wait 300 nanoseconds. Hold on. All right, let's count out. What do y'all think? What's my BAC gonna be, chat? What's the BAC gonna be? Oh my god. Uh-oh. Wait. $10 million just got transferred from an unknown wallet to Binance. Well, the good news is, if it's $10 million Tether, it can only go to Bitcoin or an altcoin probably, right? It's probably not going to go even more into cash. That's great, man. Don't be the wolf. The whale alert connect. All right, let's try one more time. It says below. Well, alright, I swear, man, if I'm legal to drive, I'm gonna lose my effing mind. 0.0 is not legal. 0.0. Oh my god, it's 0.068! Unbelievable! It hadn't changed, and I chugged. You saw me chug an effing beer. And right after I breathalyze, and it's 0.069. And then we wait like 20 minutes plus, and now it's 0.068. This doesn't make sense, chat. I gotta go drive. I need to go drive so I can get pulled over so we can figure out what the real BAC is. Is that what I should do? My god, dude. It's rigged like the wheels. It's rigged like the jar, dude. That's what it is, man. Unbelievable. I'm literally offended now. Now out of spite, I just need to chug this beer, okay? Be sure to stream it. Yeah, dude. All right. We're going to wear... Hey, instead of the Viking hat, we're going live streaming with the Leroy Jenkins hat. Officer, I was looking to get pulled over by you, man. We need to utilize your breathalyzer just so we can settle something in the live chat. Perfect. Oh, Ninja Girl's still awake. What are you doing, Ninja Girl? I thought you were... Didn't you have to sleep or something? Capital. Alright.
Bruh.
I need more sound clips. I need to like have a Valley Girl be like, oh my god, or something like that, you know? I don't have anything like that. Yeah, I don't have anything like that. I don't know, dude. Yeah, dude, it's like played out, I guess. Nah, dude, I'm on no carb, low carb, so I can't drink good beer anymore, so you know how that is, man. Anyway, get out of here, Litecoin. We don't want to see you. We're done looking at you. But, hold on. If you do break $50, we want to know, because this is a fantastic trade setup that at the entry, at $42, it's now at $49.71, which isn't great for the amount of time it's gone by. It's pretty freaking good, man. It's up like 18.56 cents for 18.56% since entry. That's, you know, I know, 17 days, dude. Wow, grandpa, but that's swing trading, man. That's definitely sometimes how it goes. A pattern this large, get upset about it. I don't know, get mad about it. But just remember, and Ninja Girl can attest to this, when I posted this trade setup, I was almost scared to post it because of how scared everyone was and how people were questioning this trade setup. Like, why would you do this? Why would you even post this trade setup? It's like, dude, just going with the TA, going with the congestion area, the bullish divergence on multiple time scales, the PCZ of the bullish shark. I mean, like, there were a lot of reasons why, you know, and it's just like, that will be done. Christopher, you know how it is, man. If I can't hear it, I can't look at it. Yeah, shoot some whiskey, Connect. Okay. But here we are, man. Here we are, just right at $11,400, man. Everyone's on the balls of their feet, on the edge of their seat. Gross. Artsy gross. Oh, is that good enough, Christopher, man? Look at Plug. What are you doing, dude? Dude, it is 1:21 a.m. Eastern time, and you're asking me for Plug on stock market, and there's no reason to even. Sorry, there's no reason to even ask me about it, cause this, holy crap, it's a straight line up. Wow, dude. What else? What even is there? This is daily. I mean, like, Plug Connect, Plug Power. Wow. What a magnificent rally. I don't even know, dude. Right? It's like, get wrecked in a positive way. I mean, no real resistance, at least until 29 bucks. I mean, really, dude. Like, what else is there? There's nothing looking left till like 29 bucks on Plug, and it may back test 15.29, but dude, this thing is gone, and the weekly's not showing exhaustion yet. You are overbought. Yes, you are overbought, but there's no. There is kind of maybe some bearish evidence. Not really anymore. This thing's just kind of gone nuts. So I mean, if it's like an S coin, 29 bucks, dude. Eventually, that's the next target. I mean, you're at this low 1869 or whatever, but the peaks there, right? I mean, talking about that's kind of it. So good luck, man. There's your whatever. I couldn't even hear you, dude. You live in Jersey. Hey, I did a live stream in Jersey back in 2019, man. What's the gabagoo? Christopher. Abundanza. I know he understood every word I said and was like, dang, dude. He thinks I'm from Jersey now. Because that's how they talk in Jersey. Good lord, man. What else is there to even look at? Why don't I look at it? We looked at all these altcoins, man. We looked at all of them, man. All of these different altcoins doing different things, breaking out. But then what was most important? It was Bitcoin breaking out. That was it, dude. It was a gabagoo, Tony, man. I still am just, you know what I'm doing, right? I'm just killing time. I'm running out the clock on this beer. Because I somehow... Hey, SXP, dude, already looked at, Rowan. Already looked at, and guess what, Rowan? Looks fantastic. A-okay. This is what it looks like, SXP, actually. Interpret that the way you will. Some psychos would think it's a bad thing. Just saying A-okay. The doctor says it's bad for you. Oh yeah, the doctor, what does he know? Hold on. Hey, look at this Quan Crux kid. Hey, it's funny, isn't it? I make more money looking at charts all day than you make at your job. How do you feel about that, Quan? Oh, wait, you probably don't even have a job, scrub. Get wrecked with your loser utility, man. Dominated. You got no chance, dude, in this world. Oh, get wrecked, dude. Get wrecked. And it's not even going to fall in jar jail.
When I wake up in the morning, the first thing I check is stocks. Crypto can eat my bippy.
Yes, sir, JL, man. Because there's a fundamental backing on stocks, right? They can mathematically prove that they can make you money if you do it right? I mean, obviously, there are plenty of companies out there that don't make a dime. And they're no better than S-coins, for that matter. But there are also ones that make hundreds of millions of dollars per quarter. And that's it, right? Do I think Bitcoin pump is not supported with volume? It's not really supported with volume, but at the same time, you must take volume with a grain of salt because most of the buys, big orders, are done over the counter. They're not done like Square was an over the counter order, $50 million. Boom. What? That wasn't done on an exchange. So there are a lot of buys like that, a lot of sells like that too. So, nah, you gotta take volume with a grain of salt in crypto, always. It's just the way it is, man. It's just a weird variable about it. It's always been a thing. It's probably a good thing, JL Humor. I don't know if it's safe to show. Jeez. Post my chugs in Patreon chat? Huh? Anyone else chugging, man? Oh, it's Bobby Killjoy chugging. We got an Ohio State faithful. Man, they haven't even played football yet. Oh god, I didn't know you were saying something. What? It's up all the way. The volume. It's the volume. Oh, it's a seltzer? What? Dude, we got people partaking in the chugging on the Friday night. Dude, you should. This is why you need a mug, dude. This is why I do not chug. Oh, I love it. The merch in the back. This is why I do not chug. Okay. Oh, now the audio works.
Give her my shot.
Fantastic, Bobby. Dude, this is why I do not chug out of these cans because the air substitute. You gotta get a mug so you can actually chug it in seconds, man. It's like boom, you get it over with. It's just too painful in the cans, man. Anyone that chugs would agree, right? I mean, whew. You know what I'm saying, man? He's still in second. Jenkins. Yeah, dude, this stream has been live for 2 hours and 51 minutes. If you're enjoying it just a little bit, if you're enjoying the fact that Bitcoin's over $11,400 right now, hit the like button, that bell, that sub. See what happens, man, right? He's still in second. He's still in 11,000 plus. Yes, he is. And I love it. I'm so happy that the stupid meme of never above $10,952 again has been broken. It's been shattered. I love it. Whatever, man. Talking about TTD or whatever. TD. What is it? The trade desk is TT. Yeah, TTD. Yeah. Oh god, it's just like there's nothing you can even do here. It's like what do you even? TA can't do anything. It's literally mooning. It's $613. It's out of this effing world, man. Okay. It looks like Bitcoin in 2019. You know, just. But it had a structure of, I don't know, man. It wasn't even any, it was like, oh, God. That's wild, dude. That's freaking wild. You know, it's like, how does this look? Look at this, dude. It's breaking whatever this upsloping resistance might be, you know? Like, that's stupid. It broke it, back tested it. It's just, what the? I don't know, super crazy, man. Fibonacci, we could do it. I think it's probably the 1618 if it's anything. High to low. It's above it. It's above the 1618. This is stupid, dude. It's just like Rudy Poo gone, man. Trading desk is out of this world. Yeah, I used to be an adventurer like you till I took a bullish engulfing candle to the knee on trading desk, and then I went moon, right? Yes, yes. Now tune up Skyrim atmospheres. Thank you very much. Now log scale. Log scale is I don't know, man. Let's see. Log scale is pretty look at this beautiful log scale chart from the beginning. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. You fell out, yeah, that was the COVID crash, right? But other than that, look at this upsloping resistance in log, and this is where log's pretty good. You know, that the upsloping resistance locally from July 7th is like the 75% trend line of the Equison channel. Right, not bad, man, not bad. So beautiful. This is like since inception. Its IPO in 2016. It's just been going and it's just been doing things, man. All right, the major supply line's like $855, almost uneffing believable, dude. Right? Yeah, for sure. So that's the only way you can mess with TTD. But just if it's good, oh my god!
Is that a joint?
You probably can't because stockholders, right?
I mean, it's legal, right?
Totally legal, man.
Smoke weed every day.
JC Fisk was tipped $42.80.
Wow. JC, man, thanks for being the session top Jesus this evening. That's $100 on the eve, excluding super chats. If anyone super chats, it's unfortunately I can't make session top Jesus. It's all about the fiat tip. It's not the super chats. So there's nothing you can do. It's and look, it's still falling in the jar. Look to your left. Here it is. Look at this thing. How broken it is, man. It's still falling. Let's go Ethereum. At least you get to see its glory. Like Ethereum, the emoji turns into ETH. It says ETH and then transforms back into Ethereum again. Is that not beautiful? What's Ash, man? Hey, you know what? Your wife, you gotta, you know, she wants to wake up tomorrow and do something, you know. I'm sure like there was never price action like this when I was in Florida. So I would imagine like when I was down there for like 10 days with Ninja Girl, it's like if I was up at 1:33 a.m. Eastern and we were like going to do something, like we were in St. Petersburg or something, you know, it's the weekend. It's like she would probably be like, go to bed because like, you know, want to wake up and go do something, you know, but I would get it. I mean, I would definitely understand. It's Friday evening. So Saturdays for like, if you say it's your wife, then Saturday is normally the time where you hang out with your spouse a lot, heavily, right? If you're working the normal life, right? So I don't know. I can literally drive legally because we just looked at it points. Okay, and you just saw me chug again. Should I do the breathalyzer now or wait 5-10 minutes? Because this is unbelievable. This is stupid. It's like the speed at which I'm chugging, the other old beers are being oxidized by my kidneys. You're getting just taken out of my system like nothing, dude. Y'all have planned to see fall colors at Vermont tomorrow. That sounds wonderful. So she wanted you to get sleep. I knew it, dude. But you're not going until I'm offline, I think you would say. Probably not online, because I am online, dude. Your wife's bartending should be home at 2:30 a.m. Boom, dude. Look at the different walks of life we all lead. Man, they're all different. Fall colors are starting to come out in Bama, and it's beautiful, man. It's really beautiful. My own little maples in my front yard are starting to turn, and just gorgeous, man. I love the colors. Called Fifi, yep. Wait a little bit, wait 5 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna wait. 10 toes down. 10 toes down on the trade desk, alright? in log scale only. It's the only way it works. It makes no sense any other way. Well, Matthew D, that's what? The higher Bitcoin goes, the sexier all of us nerds become. It's real life, dude. Doesn't matter how nerdy you are, if you're connected to Bitcoin, you become sexier when it appreciates in value. It's crazy, dude. It's so weird. Remember, it's like last year, Bitcoin hit like 13K for the first time. Ex-girlfriends like text and blow me up. Like, whoa, you seen Bitcoin? It's like, oh, really, dude? That's the threshold. 13K is ex-girlfriend texting territory. Okay, just say. Anyway, man, we'll go to TTT, man. We'll go there. Okay. Be careful, Jeffy, man. Be careful. Explosive that is gross stuff. Okay, be careful. Much love. Okay, man. 11,400 still. Can you believe, man? Oh, I know, Matthew. Believe me, I learned the hard way. Whew. Mesmerizing. No, you should just tell her to subscribe, Corner, so she knows, like, oh, if I'm live and you're watching, right? Oh, it makes sense. It's like, oh, what's he up to? We'll see if Mitch is live. Oh, Mitch is live. He's probably just watching the stream then, right? Perfect. So we're just waiting a couple more minutes. I'll do the breathalyzer, and I'm probably going to get out of here. Dude, I've been live for 3 hours now, officially. Okay, so we're going to do Jesus Chimes and Local on the 8th at the same time. Who's your Local on the 8th, man? Oh my god.
Bruh.
3 hours, man. Then about 2 hours earlier, so we're going on 5 hours of streaming time today. Not bad, man. It's good. So there's not much to look at, man. Look across the board. I think we've looked at everything. Fantastic. Fantastic GIF Nexus of hype. Dude, the chugs already happened, man. They're over. I don't owe any chugs. I got through all of them. Every single one you threw at me, I made happen, dude. Love that. Let him do it, Rick, man. We're just going to be sitting here with our hold position, laughing. Hey, we'll trade when we want to trade, but there's other trades we're in that are on the stock market right now that made more sense. You know, I mean, like, I'm not worried about Bitcoin because, like, I'm not missing out on Bitcoin. No matter what it does, I'm a partake in the losses and the gains. It doesn't matter because the way the position, that whole position I have has been, I've been like, there have been areas of the 9s and the 5s and the 4s and the 3s, dude. Multiple years of 3s of accumulation at the same areas. I'm not worried about anything with Bitcoin, like with my whole position. Like, I'm so comfortable with how much Bitcoin I own in that position. It's like, hey, yeah, if there's an actual real amazing looking trade setup, dude, yeah, of course in my other account I'll be taking it long. Okay, we'll be making money off that, but you know, I love this. This is great, man. This is like, this is the bet. This is the bet of the century. This is the bet of the lifetime. I think for us, it's been that way. I don't care what Bitcoin does. Like, you know, if a trade, okay, it plays out or doesn't, it fails, great, dude. But that's right, Tony Rumble. Exactly. That's me right there. Lim Jahi. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna do this breathalyzer. Okay, we're gonna wrap this stream up, man. This has been great. Thank you all so much for being here. It's been a fantastic evening. We're going to see how it proceeds the remainder of the weekend, which it had only just begun. Hold on. Because I'm a loser. If I'm legally able to drive at this point, dude, it's done. I'm a loser. I'm going to throw this against the... Not really. I don't know what to do if it doesn't. Please be drunk. I'm not even legally 0.078. Think about it, dude. How legendary would it be me getting pulled over, right? And it's like, I blow into the breathalyzer and it's this. And the cop's like, gotta let you go, man. You are free to go, sir. And I'm like, thanks so much, officer. I've just chugged so many beers and served my hours. And where's video evidence of it, dude? To get wrecked. Get wrecked by the law. Leroy Jenkins. What is the song? There's like a song, dude, that you can play. And it's the Leroy Jenkins remix song, dude. Let's go. What was the name of the song of the intro? It's called Underwater by Bass Nectar Anthony. Well, too easy. Alright. Alright, what are we gonna do? In and all what? Oh, I'm scared, dude. I'm scared of that song, man. I'm landing on those, dude. Alright. Y'all amazing. I love y'all. Thanks so much for the likes, love, support, contributions to Jar Fills, the Leroy Jenkins, the somehow being sober to drive. What a friggin' joke, man. I love y'all. I'll be back. Till next time. Respect the T. A. Get into some out of a cat.
just felt like screaming.
My name is JP. I am a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei! I have some evidence Man Bear Pig could be in this area.
That's pretty neat.
Adios, turd nuggets.